lyrics.
I said mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach,
Yeah.
Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of
Lyrics.
Kings. He's the Lord over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the battle.
Weird.
All these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Come. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my redeemer, and my keeper, the one who never was a
Weird.
Jesus Christ, of Nazareth.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me lyrics.
I said mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach,
Yeah.
Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of all
Lyrics.
kings. He's the Lord over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the battle.
Weird.
All these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Come. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my redeemer, and my keeper, the one who never was a
Weird.
Jesus Christ, of Nazareth.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of all
Lyrics.
kings. He's the Lord over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the battle.
Weird.
All these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Come. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my redeemer, and my keeper, the one who never was a
Weird.
Jesus Christ, of Nazareth.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach,
Yeah.
Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of all
Lyrics.
kings. He's the Lord over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the battle.
Weird.
All these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Come. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my redeemer, and my keeper, the one who never was a
Weird.
Jesus Christ, of Nazareth.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of
Lyrics.
Kings. He's the Lord of over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and of
Weird.
all these other gods and chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Ha! They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, a stronghold.
All right. I'm very sorry. I have to attend to one or two things. Good morning to you all. Good morning. To some of you, good afternoon. Some of you, good evening. You are welcome back to my channel. So this is Kai Report. I want to use this opportunity to respond to Joe Vicar. I tagged him on this video. Hopefully he will get this message. I tagged him personally because as the Mahib is here. I watched his recent video. I think I realized what his problem. I think I find out why I may be wrong, but time will tell. So I just want to pass a message to him using this video you are seeing on the screen. All right. So do me a favor by making sure you like the video and comment, share it on many platforms of your choice. In fact, let me share this again. Let me share this broadcast to to another place. Just bear with me, okay? Just bear
All
with me.
these
And
other gods and chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Ha! They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, a stronghold. My Redeemer, my keeper, the one who never was a stronghold. Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
my Savior, my Lord and Giver. I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of
Lyrics.
Kings. He's the Lord of over kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and of
Weird.
all these other gods and chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. Ha! They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, a stronghold. My Redeemer, my keeper, the one who never was a stronghold. Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
my Savior, my Lord and Giver. I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega.
all right. So we are okay now. We are good to go. Please, like I said, do me a favor. Make sure you like this video and share it on many platforms of your choice. We have our brother here, Machi Boss. I see you. Say good morning, Maskai Report. Thanks for standing on this path of the truth. Thank you so much. And this morning we are going to go straight to the program. Like I told you, I am not here now for looking for anything special, anything at all. I just want to peacefully, quietly respond or pass a message to Joe Vicar. Greetings to you, Triple M. Good morning to you. You're welcome. You're welcome. A greeting to you all, my genuine fellow Biafran citizens. Today is Saturday, and you all know what today is all about. But I'm here this hour for Joe Vicar, nothing more. Joe Vicar, I tag you, like I said, on this, not for you to respond to me. I'm not demanding response from you. I have seen you. I watched your video where you are mocking some people that demand response from you, and what your response to them from what you said on this video is that they have followers of have on the platform is 5,000, and you say you have 10,000 followers. Therefore, they are not worthy of you responding to them. Okay. Here in this my platform, I have 3,000. Okay, so I already know that you're not going to respond because of the number of people here. So please, I'm not saying you should respond to me. I'm not even doing this for you to respond, but I want to correct one or two things for you to understand. And I'm not going to say something. I will be responding based on what you said, and if need be, I may respond to you based on other things that we follow. So let's start. This is Joe Vicar. Okay, and what happened? Did I lose anything here? Excuse me. Just a moment. Let's get to. Let me see if I can figure out. Okay, we lost the sharing. Just like that. Just a moment. Let me connect it back. Let us connect, because I don't want to, get anything wrong. And Joe Vicar, just I know, because I hope, like I said, that you are going to watch this video. I want you to watch it. It is going to help you if you actually want any help. It will help you. And this is not about age, because I know you will say, oh, who is this boy? Because everybody is a boy to you people. So, and you are living in America, that kind of thing. So people doesn't really mean anything to most of you. But I want you to understand one thing. This video will help you. It will help you. Like I said, I won't say anything until I get your video up here. So whatever I will be saying, we, of course, based on your statement here. Okay? What is holding the mic? I'm not hearing anything from this. Abonyifayi, you are welcome. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Abonyifayi. Let's hit the like button once. Okay, let's hit the like button once and share the broadcast. Thank you. Share it widely, like you said. I appreciate it, my brother. We must stop all all chameleons within and around us, as there are no more room for sabotage. Excuse me. Thank you so much, Triple. I don't. This program is not. I'm not gonna. It's not about. I'm not here to insult him.
YouTube is about 5,000.
No. So what is going on again?
Subscribers. When I'm about 12,000 subscribers. I cannot. I want to.
You are about 12,000 subscribers. Therefore, you can't respond. Let me start it from beginning.
The topic a little bit in why all this wickedness and hatred. Part 1. So I may continue with the series of why all this wickedness and hatred. Why this wickedness? So I will need to open our eyes to some reasons why I say that.
Ogwejo, I greet you. Political Brohaha, you are welcome. Good morning to you. Casey, good morning to all of you. Please do me a favor, like the video, and let's go to this video properly.
That's how I fight through the freedom. Make up and I don't English guy is what we are the problem with what I would get. All more than get an Abraham back. You win this league on me. You win this league out of but the other label and shape already. So today I want to why and they hate you. Why I bet go through 1 or 2 3 videos that shows. I'm going to hope that because this series may reach up to part 3 or 4. As the law will permit us. Let's discuss. Why all this wickedness and hatred? Now, I want to know that TikTok, Facebook.
Juliet, I see you. Good morning to you, Juliet. You are welcome.
Alongside with myself, you can go Chile, and then what's his name? Simon.
Ogbefi, Nankano. Ogbefi, you're welcome.
So many video people have been making about me. A lot of no one came to the man. I'm not sponsored terrorism.
Okay.
Which I debunked. Here one might debunk. Maybe another video expressing how you know sponsored terrorism. That's very fine.
Okay.
I still want to thank them for making me popular. Frankly speaking, I'm not going to be popular like this.
Oh, it's feature, man. Oh, it's feature.
Is unpopular in accusation. Sometimes I need that particular accusation. Remember the answer, no?
Okay.
I remember in those days what made one apostle, Bishop Ensu of Overcomers Ministry. One of the things that made him popular was an accusation that was leveled against him that he is into rituals. So they went to the church, and by the grace of God, they couldn't find any evidence. After that, their man became popular. So maybe God just want to make me popular through this way. There's a lot of people making video against me. One of them, like someone sent me today, that guy made a video and asked me to respond to him so that he will also start saga with me. When I checked his page in YouTube, he's about 5,000 subscribers. When me, I am about 12,000 subscribers. I want to tell that guy, I cannot do saga with you because of, until if you are at the same level of followers with me, or you are above me. But I won't even do it. If I want to do saga, I do it with Simon Eba. Okay, hold it there.
If you say not Ogwejo said, why am I not hearing that man? I don't understand what you mean. The voice is not coming out. Please, can somebody confirm? Can you hear that? Let me even see it here. The voice is not coming out. Please, can somebody confirm? Can you hear that? So my voice is out here. Let me play him again and see if it's coming out.
Go and check.
Okay, my brother, who said that? Ogwejo, please refresh your phone. Okay, this is sound and clear. Juliet, God bless you. Please, Ogwejo, sorry, try and refresh your phone. Okay, so that you can follow suit. Now you can see your mindset, Jovika. That no someone again about saga if I thought no would saga again. All this while that someone is here, you did not run saga with him. Why? Why is it now that he's in detention or in prison or whatever you want to call it? Why is it now that you want to do saga with him? And you can see what you said. Is it a sign of humility? Someone made a video. Why clear on that? You can just say that the church here responded to anybody. You can say that you have the right. Man, at the moment, if the way that the person must have the number of followers you have and all that is a childish talk. I just want, like I said, this program is not, I'm not here to insult you or to talk down on you, but I want to correct if go somehow and remind you what you are doing, because I can see as your video progressed, I find out that you two things are the one holding you down. One, you are not insult. You are ignorant of what you are doing. Two, you need attitude adjustment. You need attitude adjustment. But I don't know who will help you on that. Let me just be respectful, like I said, because I want you to make meaning out of this, not to humiliate you. I don't want to humiliate you, and there's no need to do that, even though your utterance and your action call for that. The video that I made a video about you, a few weeks ago, was it not? I think last week. I can't recall now, just one. And that video, because I wasn't happy with what you are doing and many other things that you have said in the past, I did not start watching you now. I watched you when you were defending the Bukobi and when you insulted Mbaka, when you come back again and insulted the Bukobi. When the Bukobi replied to you and called you a content creator. I'm just saying it for you to know, because this point that I hit now, it will, somehow rejuvenate your spirit. You will begin to, you understand that person talking to you is not a novice. I know a lot about your content, about your video, this one. The vote is out, somebody said. You guys are confusing me. I don't get it. Please, can somebody, my voice is out. Live broadcast like this doesn't need any distraction. Please, if you are sure that my voice is not coming out, let me know. Ndewo, I greet you. Divine Precious. Machibo said, Maz, one time in this man's Facebook, he was attacking Simon by send a comment on his Facebook telling him he has a lying spirit. This was about 3 years ago. Your voice is sound and clear. Please, Casey, I don't know you like this, so this is morning. We don't need to shout. You understand? Audius Invest says Massacre report news. A lot of Igbo confused about this struggle. They are confused because of when your eyes is focused on something else, you will be confused. Anyway, let's continue. And like I said, this is our brother, this is our uncle here, Jovika. Jovika need help. He really need help. He has been deceived by those, but never do with people who he don't even know they are going out and coming in, is whom he has decided to associate with. But just watch.
Condemn a particular action. Criminal. Is a criminal because the court has declared him a criminal.
You see the problem I have with you. This kind of comment is the reason why people appear to be harsh on you, and the hatred is growing day by day. If you don't know, the hatred not only here. I will tell you are putting yourself in a very tight corner. I cannot threaten anybody. Let me make it clear to you. I am not in support of claim of anybody. Bloodshed. I am not in support of it. Get it clear. I am not in support of kidnapping or criminality. But I'm not in support of it. As an Igbo person, God forbid. I am not in support of killing of it. The reason why, Jovika, and I believe many people, thousands and millions of people that you yourself think that they're supporting evil today, that are promoting killing, they hate it. Why people appear to be like this, calling for their freedom, is because of excess killing, dying of people that started for years now. And you are above the age to say that you don't know all those things. This video, like I said, I beg you, Jovika, to watch it. You can skip from the beginning where I was playing music, but anywhere from minutes, what minutes are we now, so that will help you to know where you focus. It will help you a lot. This is now 23 minutes. Let's say 12 to 15 minutes. Just drag it and start from there. If you don't like watching from the beginning, but I want you to have your time. Watch everything for your own good, for your own. I get nothing. Okay, with attacking you, and I get nothing. But sometimes we respond to people harshly, the way they deserve, not because for you to change. I'm just wanting to change. Because from your video, this video now, that Biafrans are going to listen to, because most of them don't watch you. That is just a good fact. They can only watch you when we talk about you. And when we present you the way you are, that raw, that you have, the way you talk, the hatred will skyrocket. That's why you need to watch to know where to adjust. I'm not saying people that I'm not threatening you. I'm not saying that people are going to buy you, no. But the way you are going, Jovika, you are putting yourself in a very tight corner, and you are not ready for it. That is just the gospel. You are not ready for it. I can't threaten you. I don't need any. I don't have any to threaten you for what. I don't even have anybody to threaten you for. Okay, but it is not. It's not ideal for you to do what you're doing. If you know, you know. Now let's hear you. Let's hear you. Forget about and you disrespecting Simon Ekpa, Mas Namarikano. I will advise you to stay away from that. This is a long time effort. People they build. And You want to use emotional blackmail to justify your actions and what you are doing. You are trying to make it look like they are committed a lot of criminality, they support buying of people, they promote violence and all that, and what have you. Jovika, people, let me use you for example. In your trending video now, you said that you have men on ground. Remember you said it. And when I don't want to expose that part. Like I don't want to dwell on that much, but I just want to remind you that your attempt to justify or to make it look like you're actually talking to DSS and army you are not talking to kids. You have made your point, and it's well saved. Okay? Those your men on ground, if they wake up tomorrow and begin to, you are in America, you don't wake up with them, you don't go out with them. If they commit any crime today or tomorrow, Jovika, they're not going to call you and say, I know, Oga Jovika, we went out with snatch car. We went out to do this. No, it's not true. And PM that we are talking about Samanekpa, have an internal enemy that use their own voice committing crime to label it on Samanekpa. And you are roaming around looking for information, you stumble on their tent, and they fed you with wrong information, wrong narrative about Samanekpa, and you are running with it. I'm surprised that you're actually buying the one of Masamanekano as well. Before you condemn Masamanekano, Jovika, as a preacher of gospel, you don't need to equate yourself with the people that you are surrounded with. Ike Guru Aga and Ijele speak. It is funny, and there's no need for that. You have the opportunity now to count on the history. In 2012, Masamanekano started talking and mobilizing, people, educating them, creating awareness. Before then, Masamanekano was in London protesting against Boko Haram for betterment of Nigeria and to offer security, not in Igbo, talking about Northerners. He was protesting in London against Boko Haram, the way they're buying people, not buying Christians alone, buying people, or the line that buying people, that's for humanity. Jovika, you have never for once waved Nigerian flag in any embassy or in UN building anywhere, protesting or mobilize anybody for the Christians being fired in Kaduna alone, in Plateau, in Zamfara, in Kaduna, in Benue, and you're a preacher of gospel. Like I said, I'm not here to humiliate you. I just want you to count on the history, because every action has opposite reaction. You cannot just expect people to just undermine those things. Masamanekano, you guys are criticizing, started by holding flag, peaceful agitation. Jovika, you cannot start reading Masamanekano history after 2018. He started 20 when. You can check it out. Biafran youth gathered in primary school, not even, they don't block road, singing and praising God. And Nigerian army went there and buy them in quantum. They are Igbo, because you guys are making it look like you are against blood of Igbo people. That is where the anger starts. We have our brother, our uncle, Oluchinwa God. Mazikai, well done. I greet you. Please, you need to find Asari Dokubo video where he boasted of killing of Biafrans. I have been searching for that video, to be honest with you. One thing you need to understand, that we were not keeping this record all this while. Even the video that the CS played, some of the cabinet meeting that he played, after re-declaration of Biafra, I'm searching for it, because I changed my PC, I changed my laptop, and then I lost almost everything. So that is because normally I keep most of my information on my laptop. But on a good day, we may lay hand on it. And if anybody have access to it, please share it with me. If you can share it to me, I will appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Good morning. Now, Jovika 2015, Biafrans was murdered, not one, not two, not three. They were holding flags, not even plywood. They don't carry 2 by 2. Flag of Biafra. Flag. Even though you don't believe in Biafra, although some time ago your words seems like you don't mind. Jovika, you watched Chiwotalago wearing clothes, just normal clothes that has Biafran flag on it. What did they do to him? They humiliated him as an Igbo adult. See, from an Igbo, you saw that. What was your action? What was your reaction? You don't care. Jovika, you are too old to know what happened, what led to Biafran War, Ojuku, that you are insulting indirectly now and pretend that you love Igbo people, peace of Igbo people. Do you care to know how many people they murdered in the north before the war started? Do you? I don't think you do. Okay, let's say that one happened in older days. If it turned up and about but I want that, right? 2015, 2016, I believe you have married. You are living with your wife as of that time. You are no longer a kid. You cannot start talking about this history, about what happened just because. You don't need to tell me that you just woke up. That you just wake up and see people talking about Masamlukan and you joined. Go and trace the history. Uchembe for today, that is speaking from both sides of his mouth, was also commanding Igbo youth to come out and protest. And they got killed. And nothing happened, isn't it? Nothing happened. You were there, you were watching. After the kidnap of Masamlukan, Igbo youth came out in mass holding flag again. Do they even hold flag? I think they do. In Aba, without destroying anything, protesting, they got killed again. Jovika, you are there and you hate Igbo blood being shed, which is very, very good. Wonderfully to hear. Very, 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 very nice to hear that. A group of supposedly Nigerian soldiers, because they have not denied they are not the one, went to Masamlukan's house and buy 28 people, 28, on an attempt to buy Masamlukan. 28, I'm not saying 28 statue. I'm not saying 28 shadow. I did not say 28 chicken. 28 young boys, men, gunned them down. They did not set any house ablaze. They did not do anything. You watch it, you are contented. There's no problem. Now, I'm not saying this to justify criminality going on in our land. I've told you I'm against it and condemn it. You can't fight crime with crime. No. But like I told you, if you mele political solution you were talking about, a group of Igbo people who claim they're working with Masamlukan decided to go back and fall back and talk, side with Igbo politicians just to make sure they have this political solution. And they tried, they couldn't get it. Masamlukan siblings reached an agreement with Tinubu's son, Sheyi Tinubu, to allow election to take place in eastern parts, so there won't be any obstruction. That nobody will disrupt anything. They just a free movement the day of election. They reached an agreement and election come and gone, and nothing happened. Today, Masamlukan is still in detention. The only thing people like you, grown-up men, Igbo people like you, people of your class, the only thing you guys is complaining about is this security in Igbo, My question to you, where were you when Operation Python Dance was conducted in eastern parts? Where were you when Operation Crocodile Smile? And what was the target? As a preacher of gospel, killing. Buying people is buying people. If you condemn this, condemn that. Both of them are condemnable. I'm not saying again, because I don't want to misquote what I'm saying. I'm not saying that anybody going out there to kidnap and tie Igbo youth is okay. No, God forbid. but you cannot be everywhere. Mazaman is not everywhere. Samanapa is not everywhere. If you see anybody committing crime, hold that person responsible. Hold them responsible. I told you of people, group of people who went on working with Southeast governors in the name of going underground. As they are doing that, they were committing crime again to label it just to make activities of Samonepa and Biafrans to be hated by everybody. So the people wake up and say, how can we be so evil? Like if you know, have you done your investigation and find this to know truly who was committing those crimes? I don't think you do, because you made mention of at your age. If we cheat, it must cut, because if it's in America, it must cut. I have a it must cut. That now there's no way get you away basket of okra, only okra, and people are using plank and 2x2 destroying that. So in the entire market, only okra, nobody is there to buy. No other person selling anything. Only okra is what you saw in that video. We watch it as well. So your man did not tell you that this is stage managed, that this is well planned of DOS to use that against PM, against other Biafrans. I know you don't belong to IPOB, you don't belong to DOS, you don't belong to Autopilot, you don't belong to even Biafran government in exile, you don't belong to, you are just a Jovita who want to talk when you want to talk. Nothing again, you don't remember what happened yesterday. As long as that thing is against your narrative, you don't talk about it. Once it's in support of your narrative, your mic and your camera will be very, very on. Don't you think that your action is also a problem to Igbo land? Because if you want to be real, be real. If you want to compromise, then accept the compromises. That you are the compromise. Don't pretend that you are for everybody. Don't do that, because we are seeing through all those things. I am not a member of IPOB. I am a Biafran by birth. Maybe you may, I believe that at some point you believe that you're a Biafran. All right? And you don't hate the killing going on in our land the way I hate it. P2B, Bomaki Bodoyan is river. You don't see that one. If you from Ghana, it doesn't mean. And guess who you are blaming? Master Americana, I cause you both. Happy Kayola, I kesi is your it's Nibo. Happy can I guess it. I don't see you in a head the other. Oh, you can the Sands were popular on this. Why kesi so. Anyway, let's hear him again.
He's a criminal because others not certain way. That is the truth.
Okay. Speaking of the truth, imagine it's like I go down. Imagine for me in an Igbo, equal kusaka. That's equity and justice. Now, he's a criminal. They put in a court. Court and they put that. Which court can you go here? On a married phenomenon. Court just no case support or if for job. Now, court in a go here, but court na Finland. You will quite an evidence in a PM table na court now. Well, they refuse to use it. Why could you mess up here? You are there. You don't care. I don't blame you, because I say, tell me who you go with, and I will tell you who you are. You may be a good person. You may have a clear conscience, but your surroundings, the environment, is affecting you. That thing is affecting you day in, day out, which I don't know why you allow yourself to be affected like that.
So, people are one criminal. Can you show evidence or any court to
Or criminal, you have a criminal. What are you talking about? Or court. Before job, before job. Court cannot call the criminal just to jail the person. But normally, and keep the problem money. If man is okay, I don't want to insult your family. Like I said, I want to be respectful. Mmadụ bịakịta Jovika wee bogo ebubo na na-egowa bụ Jovika dị n'elu ya. maybe na mmadụ patakịta na-abata nwoke bata na-abata na bịa mgbape dọ ọ bụrụ ebe gị wa gba ọtọ n'elu bed gị na nwunye dị person onidere ịga kọtụ ka mata dị na n'ihi na ọwụ ya ka ị na-edina onideziri ịga kọtụ ọkwụji anya wefia. Court is not the one to justify n'ibo yoshi gwa na oge mgbanwe nke ị ga-afụ ife court na-aga bụ just to solidify that, to seal it up so that ka enwekezi wee gị penalty n'ife ọjọọ ime. And you cannot just sit in your own comfort zone and begin to claim that na match everything na gani matter, because that court case is not final yet. So relax. And judging by court in a all court by Nigerian government, the Mazamaka is a free person. Even the UN, yeah, release all court to UN, how market court in other states, but Nigerian government have Mazamaka compensation. All court to Emegia, all the same court. You get the point? The same court, all the court, Nigerian court, awarded Mazamaka, dismiss his case and told Nigerian government to pay him compensation of so million or billion. I can't remember the figure now. In Africa, man, they say the problem if you remember that now. Or in a matter if na gan mo follow wait time to follow it or give video game, the person will go astray. Because now okay now okay, man, number one. Number two, if you would work on a Zoku, whereas there's no one of these Zoku on your chacha. Or what if I need to see?
Now, what is someone the US now? What is someone and what is someone now?
Ife eji akpọ ọda na-emo ndị a na-afụtacha na-eme ife ọjọọ ka a na-akọnect due to n'ife na-eme adịrọ mma. I'm coming to the part that made me to feel that you don't know what you're doing. Up one by one. Because we go nowhere. This is morning, this is Saturday. Victoria Wake, I say you good morning to you. You know what's your name? Okay.
I want to then it's the picture my brothers. We can is my brother.
No, you need the email I explained that when off camera. You need from one million gamma maybe na gamma again. But we are coming to that. In a really number of cases we say. I will tell you why. Just don't get away, relax and watch.
My brother, Simon is my brother.
Okay, for formality. Please, my people, do me a favor and like this video. Uncle Jerry, I see you. Good morning to you. Do me a simple favor by hitting the like button. Very, very, very important that you do so.
Tomorrow, I can't deny you. But I imagine because of you, my brother, give me your job. I don't know. Go and ask my family. I'm one of them, my father, that will tell my father, this one, I don't follow. Oh, when they don't be quite nana and never my other brother will get my chicken. Even though he will not do that thing, but he will not talk. More, I will not do it, and I will tell I will not do it. They will get piano here, they will get women, but I think they from my mind. That is my nature. So here now, the baby the that is my nature. Even in the church, I will tell my bishop, this one, I don't believe, this one is against my faith. I will practice it. I don't make it because of I'm a member of your church or diocese.
In case you know if you make it and like in a church. In a church in Castle, I get you because if you never drop you, and you don't know. That's the annoying part, you don't know. In on social media, in our watch in 1967. Because you want what I what I say Benawa. I just got the game in this new millennium after was we quit. Mazam Kano did not ask anybody to carry anything. Ndi Igbo na protest na Igbo. I got about this stop on Nigerian government anything. Have got the government house of any Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Delta, Rivers, nothing. Ndi Igbo, Umaka dona primary school. Opoko bosa weekend Saturday uta. Ndami when. Pozo kan no na ndi no na ekomogo. Sunday Monday, I got to change the mortuary. In a lot of America, but you come again, you get news. If you look, contented. It's similar that not the normal. I'm not going to be justify. This history now go. Oh, so I'm going to first note. Number the kind of said. You look at what they said. Really, 218, 219, Kenago. Each of them way 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, 17. Before those years in Ago, Guinea, Guana, if you may look at for you give. Oh, I can. Which before me make church. It will do broadcast at the area. Or not, or in a cage. In a Igbo now, wicked. Like if they feel the Igbo, why all this wickedness and hate and hatred? Imagine you go one now more there be wickedness of Igbo and hatred. If a genesis of anything, if you got you Kedifia name Igbo ne wute Igbo number one. Guinea can Igbo make sure if I the principle. I go to Arabia. How many begging? How many meetings? How many letters submitted? How many appeal? Your idea. Julius. Or if you like I said, I remember being I just want you to recall back. Think. From A to Z, I found a way to get an phone because on there. Always study corner this video actually get emotion. You just exposed reason why I am right by saying that you know nothing of what you are doing. You know nothing. I'm not. It's not that about brag. Even if you like, your age is far older. You are far older than me. But I'm now wagging with every assurance. You don't know. You know nothing about what you are doing. Apart by age fee now
if it is against my faith in the Bible, I will not do it. I as soon as suspend them, not wrong. If you call me any day, I have evidence of them. I'm going to be playing one evidence now and tell you things of also. Okay, so because why this wickedness? Why do we? Okay, let me play this first video.
I guess you don't actually play against it. Okay, let's hear that.
Then play the second video about Ebukobi.
Definitely, so those I see you one number to cake him.
Listen to him from. You can listen to the voice, but in Israel as an Islamic state, it was boldly written on the gov.uk that Islamic State and Nigeria is one of them officially. We are not part of the Islamic State. We can never support anything that goes against the interests of Israel. The Nigeria involvement is not in line with the Biafra people, and we are not part of it. You cannot be imposing your religion, your ideology on us, and then you go and start fighting Israel and supporting the against interests of Israel in the name of Nigeria. That is completely unacceptable. And this night we are making it very clear that Nigeria cannot speak for the Biafra people. For forcefully trying to Islamize us, the Biafra government is announcing a complete 4 days lockdown before Christmas. And this is going to sound as a warning for what is to come. From the 15th of December, Biafra land will be locked down on curfew. Not just sit at home, it is going to be curfew. This particular curfew is to demonstrate our displeasure, our anger that today we are being addressed as an Islamic state by the UK Foreign Secretary without our consent. On the 15th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 16th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 17th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 18th of December, Biafra will lock down. On the 19th of December, Biafra will lock down. That will be the last day of the lockdown. And this particular awareness, I encourage every other ethnic nationality in. Okay.
Now, listen.
Hello, bro. You might. Hello, don't check that because not your voice, because. Can you lower your voice, because? Oh. Why do you know about it? You're not alive, oh. Sorry, guys. That's one of my brother.
Amechi Jonas. Good morning to you. Celestine Dulu. I see you.
Okay,
Gift
so
okay. I see you.
5 days lockdown.
Ambassador, I greet you.
It is
Uncle Jerry, I greet you.
yeah, so
Daniel Osola, I see you. Greetings to you.
He didn't vote. Of course,
Osoala. Daniel, I would like you to tell me how to pronounce it. Is it Osoala? Let's continue though.
Yeah, we just Nigeria made a statement supporting the Hamas against Israel, which myself I also condemn. Now,
first thing first, Jovika, this is not a challenge. This is not a challenge. I want you to bring out a video where you condemn. I'm not talking about you should put video and you record all the time. Go share it, email you upload. Now your own platform. Use screen like you normally share screen. What I'm doing now is sharing screen. Sharing screen. I want you to show us where you uploaded a video where you have condemned Nigerian government supporting Hamas and tell us what is Hamas. Define Hamas to us. What is Hamas? Your own government is supporting Hamas, and you are here attacking PM for condemning Nigerian government for supporting Hamas, and you want to make it look like you also agree. Again, if you agree, you wouldn't have attacked him the way you're attacking him now. You said that how can you lock down Igbo for supporting Hamas? Do you know what Hamas what they do? Can you the man Hamas? And funny enough, you're a Christian. Anyway, a Christian for declaring it at home, just agitate the supporting of Nigerian government using our name and our population, throw it away to Hamas. That is well known to buy in the can they buy. I also condemn the bot. Okay, but what? Did he say you should wage war against Nigerian government? No, sit at home. Sit at home. Negent.
Somebody who feel they are speaking for the Biafra. Why not just condemn it and leave it at that?
Just talk. You see, typical Igbo. And this is the same man that says that just equal with action. Oh, this video. Is that this one or the other one? Now, no, that his prayer is, I think that this somewhere this one or the other video. Don't worry. Once that, if we get to that place, I will remind you of this what I just said. Yeah, he don't just pray. He accompanied with action. Now, once again, just condemn them for supporting Hamas and go and do what and sleep. Next thing is they slaughter you. We saw what is going on in the north. We know what is happening in the north. You know that. Like I told you, I am not in support of any claim of anybody. I keep on saying that. I'm not joking when I said it. I am serious about it. And for your information, Jovika, for just to save your time, if you're in here, Jovika, if you're in here, Ketabo, Christians na Kaduna, they genti. Christians na Kaduna. How I get that gakuna esenika to chukwu ka biam. Maka gini? Maka ha bondo ka. And all if you na condemn some for declaring it at home against Nigerian government supporting them. Ndi Igbo bi na Kaduna. Ugo neba nke wa ya neba dị young eba afia bụ Ugo. Nke watakịrị ekwu n'aka bụ Stephen. Father Israel. Nke obere nke nwoke bụ Victor. Nke a Vera. Mother Adora. Okay, Adora. Yeah, Adora. Onye nke a say me. Me. Yeah, but the survivor. And again, you have old picture of our family. Chioma, and can never get out one wire. Yeah, 2005. Yeah, five picture had taken at 2005. Picture get that it taken at 2005. Can I take it? Family picture, this family. Now 2005. Adora, Chioma, the Kobe neighbor with me have the surviving, so the survivor now. Mother, Vera, Victor, Father, Ugo, and Stephen, they are all gone. It doesn't at 2025. Fanchable RIP, all of them, apart from this one, that didn't. So within this space of years, Ugo, Papa, Ma, Stephen, Victor, Adora, Chioma, all gone. Makandegene. Ndị na-defend indirectly. Now, can you again? He can sit at home. If you will go see the enablers of these people, bias of these people, if you go see that iwe na-ewe gị n'ezinụlọ ndị Igbo a nọ na north anọghọzi. Not just only nke waya, but ife nọzi. Family na anọmụrụ ụmụ nwoke na nke obere ego n'aka nwoke, Victor nwoke, 2 boys. Now, how many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 boys and 5 girls, all gone with the man and pa. Also, in car me was the only surviving soul. Makan have been a no not. Now, I wipe for this family. Or no zube hindi we pota. I just want to this video. Quarters can scroll on social media this morning, about yesterday, this morning. Can pick up this, can for this video. And go the right up much about. I was like, no, I have to present it. Then I've not even make up my mind to watch this your video. While watching your video, you now book to if you book that on December. Never I got nonka. The good picture never typical example of if you all family that today. It could be your family tomorrow. God forbid. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị na ọ bụrụ na agbara ụzọ were mgba na ọmanchi. So you can say what you want to say. Like I said, all we want is peace. All we want is to live and let live. Adị m ekwu si ndị ka egbuo ndị Fulani mba. Adị m ekwu ka egbuo ndị Hausa mba. Adị m ekwu, I'm not saying you should kill Fulani and kill Hausa people, I kill Yoruba. No, we don't support killing of anybody. No, not at all. But this terrorizing everywhere is what we need to stop. It's very, very shocking. Ikachio no be, na brag, na support. Oh, good God. Chekweye. I'm not coming to go to be honest with you. I don't know. I don't know you. I don't know you in person, but.
Did they take any action? Even if they take action, is it something we should suffer?
Now, Nigeria just support Hamas without taking any action. But how do you take action? You know that thing that you said. We don't mean it to, but somehow one military know can support or can I take action support of. If they want to take action, they will call you. I say that now out of abundance in the heart, the man speak it. Although that now, if you that now they have not taken action, you even ended up saying that no good never take your action must we suffer. What do you think will be the consequences of the action? Oh, each and if the Hamas batana, Uta has to be not now. Now that target the book to destroy northerners. Oh, when that natural. And the Ubel and the Barafo keep looking from there. Today, Kwara State is running header scatter. You know, a community called Owo and Yoruba land. Bondi Mani Monoka, Obalafa to everywhere. On the IPOB, I'm a drag on the IPOB. Remember what I told, just hold this. I told you. We are not saying, personally, I am not saying that you should buy your people because you want to free them. Man, in a gathering of 12, in every gathering of 12, there must be a Judas. So, over actually Judas name nearby. Is it a whole anybody's fault? Or if I get message about how to comb them out? We chupundojo, name forjo, na wolo when and chukoba and a make a chukwa. We have a lot of population. Let us go out and buy our people. But I get away criminals. It may not guide possible. Man, no, to stop them. But you are doing everything, both my AI, everything. You are using the voice notes just to label this crime on Simon Ekpa and Mazamokan. The question is, if you take them away, Jovika, are you ready to face the consequences? To defend the land. It's not about maybe insecurity will come, maybe Fulani will come. No, they are coming. They are not hiding it anymore. Gumi told you there's ethnic war going on. Ethnic war going on between Fulani ethnic group and other ethnic group. In the Slovakia, in the Slovakia,
because he keep mentioning Biafra land. The River State are not doing it. Then, because Biafra has to do with the river rights. It's not the river when we talk about Biafra, it comprises both.
You see the mindset of some of them. You are not trying to complain Nandi Ogoni in the delta. Na fa they make you fair about Biafra. Why you do na buy? Go abuzo e Biafra in Emia. Go abuzo fi kana go e Biafra in Emia. Okwifugo ka ndị kamadi oke mecha wụla etiti awụrụ ga awụ gịwa na anụ bụ Biafra na-asụ Igbo kedu your contribution ga-emezi ndị nke anaghị asụ Igbo ime ego iso ije ọnụ nkịta ma ndị ba na-echek my are they doing it abịa na ezinụlọ a na-ewe oke iwu ụmụazụ abịa na Biafra today ndị Igbo bụ ndị okenye ọ bụrụ ibrag Igbo bụ ndị okenye all that our brothers, our relative that was carved out from our people, get Ghana Fuzi, Kivesi Aga. On a bo Ada Nesuno. All the don't want maybe in that Namuli Baz. Habata happen a people late. Mpa, like I could remember those days. My father will come out and sit down outside, waiting for my brothers to come back. If they come back late, in Magona village, then 8:30, 9 p.m. is and you're already keeping late. Now my own family, you keep on you are keeping late, and that in alone. My father got on okay to go outside. Jirota, Zokwe zo jide touch ya. Adia mama, he make his own as own webata. Or walk a battery touch and you clock a ya shock because those are my wedding itself. Also give you a bar. If you get sick, when I have a stagger, and not a what I say, holy guy, because on that kid lock door. You want to go? Man, or gun or dress, he will interrogate you. He will not go to bed until you come back. That's what parents do. You have to keep watching your brothers and sisters from Riverine area. That's your job as an adult. That does not mean that you go and sleep, but in as much as we still have people like you who are waiting for even your brothers from Igbo land to convince you the need of protecting your land, of keeping information, or to find that reason why what is going on is going on. You think I am happy to see the killing going on in the north? You don't assume that the Igbo land is very peaceful and we're progressing, and somehow and a Christian even Muslims in the Kaduna. I think I'll be here telling you that all is well, let's clap for Nigerian government. No, it's good. No, it's not good. You don't kill Hausa people because they're Hausa people. It's wrong. You don't kill Yoruba people because they're Yoruba. It's wrong. So the time we need to, to condemn all those things is here. You don't need to segregate. You may segregate for you to advance your goal, for you to achieve your aim. But in as much as you are still looking at what is going on, and as we need it. Look at you now. And I can preach in the Riverine area why we need to come together as a brothers and sisters. I don't can preach. Go up to Vika why you need to shut up your mouth and do the needful. ike gwụkwa ha chasokwa n'ife wa na-ekwu okwu ya. Yes, ị na-ajụ naanị Biafra is not only Igbo, Ogoni people. Are they really Ogoni people? Have you asked yourself, speaking of Ogoni people, do you know a man called King Salowo? He's from Ogoni land. What killed him? Who buried him? Abacha. Why? Just to demand federal government should claim Ogoni land. They couldn't farm. They're not farming because of oil. The land is highly polluted. And I mean, manpower, they can't farm. They don't have any benefit. King Salowo was against Igbo somehow. When that money is going to farm Igbo. I will hold me, I will do that, I will get it alone. I will go through hatred, destroy your mentality. You fail to work with your brothers and you think you can do it alone. And by so doing, he call you the known top that guy, top and join the Ghana YouTube after this. You can type King Salowo. You watch on YouTube. Ancient man go to your YouTube, go and search, or even you ask Google. King Salowo. Mazmakana have done the broadcast about him. I don't know him. The first time for me to know him is from Mazmakana broadcast. A man that was able to teach me this history from our own people. My question to you, Bomo, Kedife men, Imamado, Nendi Bolusugo, now they protest. Do you know how many people? About war. Because who tell them that they in the bank before Chineke and the balloon to Baluan. Jovika, like I said, I'm holding myself not to go out and start, saying what the way you deserve. I just want you to pick points. Don't love me. Don't think maybe this useless boy is talking. Who is this one? Oh, he's talking about Biafra. I've told you, even you talking, you're a Biafran by birth. Go and make an not positive Biafra and keep back. The only person important publicly. If this is your own contribution, no, nice secret now. You're not positive by Ebola. You are the one that introduced the word Ebola. Just like I was on Eggman, Maza was about Biafran, United States of Nigeria. No, USB Nigeria, USB charger. And the Robana been introduced Biafra fraud. People can hand it now. If I know Biafra fraud. If Mama don't able not to manage your book Biafra. Before one day I would not. You idea mba. I think name a Q. Kedi Q leader. In Cardinal Chuma Cardinal Zog. The same you get that. Makanana punishing Igbo because of the Chukuma Cardinal document. Now, the same you get an why and have to go Wibo Kadich and Hadich. Happen Igbo now, but an abortion on Igbo. Yeah, can go by the river area. They're doing it from Anoma. He's from Anoma. And he now support that segregation. But you are embracing the punishment I need receive because of Chukuma Cardinal. So why are they not focusing that on Anoma people? Since if we Anoma Bondi, Joe Gadget. Anoma people are watching you to know as elder, do you come in my brother or you still see me as an outsider? Of course, that is normal thing to do. You don't expect them to do it because the hatred is there, the hatred is there. It is as again that anybody go consider now, okay, try what I can with I can you get why? All get us the quas. I plant the hatred in making and there. All looking at the house. Matter I won't chap one. If an imagine can demand again referendum. Imagine a man demanding referendum, cast on a community crime, violent. Why don't you use your plan and say federal government, since that is the case, why don't you give them self-referendum? You use your platform, that can preach madam the buy. No, vote against it, we need whatever I need in Nigeria. Or if you are living in a civilized world. Law, and it is your duty now to introduce this law and order to our people. Use your platform. Now, when they buy if you Biafra also, then you turn around and say Nigeria government, let us show them that we are more in number. Can you told me referendum? Okay, referendum. Okay, Biafra Jikota con women self-referendum. What's about Ganaya? Uji was how to. Oh, he's a criminal. How can he build a country in a country? Now I build a country in a country. Nah, but I don't blame you. No, the person will pass that negative energy to you without you even knowing. Let's continue though.
South and the east. There's an old Eastern region. Now, those who did not observe those things, it's only Ali.
I don't know.
Now, after you make that declaration, no, we didn't plan for any palliative.
Nah, okay, wait. Palliative, okay. Man, I ought be foodie. Okay.
For how people will enumerate or at least take a little bit kind of succor for the 5 days suffering imposed on the people. Nothing of thought nation. No humanity, no human feeling. Let's take care of our own, the elderly. Then they depend on going out to eat.
Before that declaration, palliative go with this elderly. I want to see your own palliative, like elderly, because you are saying it as if I'm doing a good job. Nobody want to help me. I manage myself. I will raise money. I use my platform to raise money. I have GoFundMe. People are contributing money from every part of the world. I am helping our elderly people. I'm helping the less privileged, the widows and the orphans. This is my job. I'm doing that. Do you know I established social business for these people, for them to continue feeding themselves? You declare this 5 days sit at home will jeopardize their business. They're not going to make money from to feed. Do you have something like that? Absolutely not. But these 5 days now, you want to remind them, oh, they can only go out. You want to go if you go if I need them. Are you buying any goods, any services from them? What is your contribution? What is your contribution? Apart from I don't want to go there. I'm trying to, I just want to, what I'm saying is for you to connect dots. It's going to help you. I've not even hit or land to the part, the place that I want to land. It seems like I'm talking too much, but please bear with me. This is morning anyway.
If they don't go and sell it, they don't eat.
Okay.
That time, there were people who tried boys let me share. I watch those things. And somebody who love people. Now you love people, who love people. According to what you make a video. I'm not taking the man that to the next trauma. Can I show me get to the Agadi wine for the culture here? Or why they are getting messaging that they are not protesting? Write a note, simple statement, government. We express our displeasure. It ends there. Because Nigeria that said they support about, they didn't take any action. Come on, you take action. Lord, God damn, illegal. But my brother only love.
Okay, folks. So by anyway. If you know, they didn't take any action. Nigeria, haven't you seen Shetima in the United Nations defending Palestinians against Israel? Mani de pele Chineke nke Israel. Chineke nke, but in Afia Shetima, the vice president, the voice note of Shetima actually is also on social media, and they discuss if I many data when they keep playing a platform again, you can't do that. That's why people say that you are being paid. I don't criticize it, because if you are not, how can you not use your platform and play that voice note of Shetima? And you claim that you are a researcher, you went in to find out, you devote time to figure out, but you don't pay attention to all those ones. We don't personally, like I told you, one peaceful place for everybody. I don't want war or killing of anybody, but don't lie to yourself because you want to look good. You can only appear like that if you have something to benefit. Maybe directly or indirectly, I don't know. It's best known to you. I cannot put word in your mouth. But I'm telling you, I cannot blame anybody saying that you are that you are being paid, because you sound like one. You sound like one. That's not a verified information though. But like I said, you sound like one. If you say they don't take action, they have taken action, supporting Palestinians or Hamas. What you are saying now is like, don't condemn or take any action. Let's assume that okay. You finish bread again around like that. Let me ask you this. Before Osama. Let's assume okay, they don't get American action. or Nigeria government have oil in Nigeria. Will you be saying what you're saying? Oh, just condemn it and keep quiet. He ends there. Every action is coming to you. It can only end if through that thing will end there. But the action is coming to you. It's coming to you because there's a establishment of Boko Haram, Iswab, Fulani herdsmen, Fulani bandit, Fulani hunters from one tribe, minority tribe for that matter. Minority among all. You will have almost 7 or 8 groups, well armed, very, very sophisticated, that even globally they are recognized for what they do. Then in North America, if you go, what if you go balance the FBI? You might need a cook, I report to the president, I was just laughing. If I know what if you do that, one the FBI, if the investigation, I got linking up because that again, Hana will questionable character. He can't again have your brother has already the video of him handshaking and dining and whining with Asada is there. Asada is known for what? You'll be hooked. I'm not coming with that. But like I said, I think you don't know what you're doing. That's where I was going to. But let's continue.
No palliative. Number 2, common boys here to engage in that particular lockdown, they have to want them by the doctor. So the other can make creative. There was sample. I will create a Telegram. Some of these videos may upload code over here.
Now, my question to you is this: Imo State. Oh, a group of people got Imo State, they can make marriage once at a time. You know why? Because it happened in the government. It's not government licensed. You don't talk about them. Nah, open a Bible, I swear, Bible got bogey. This is not Bible human being. Oga against you. Bible will be. You cannot. Do you know what you are doing? In Imo State, the only state where Jeb Bago hid this. Mention one thing the Bago have done to safeguard life and property in our land. Vidi ne kukenidi melia. Obo na chop tan kipi to be melen do in Izu River. Obo na chop tan no gina na ga baga sig that no ndi no ga bo e we ga sig no no ga bo ndo ndi bakasi boys put na chi cheta back. Or no ndi na so Biafra ndi wolo wolo gimele kaf. Like obo ndi mana packet at na affect na somewhere ni is it Imo ada. Okwa ebe unu get the platform na be any in the Biafra. Immediately, have you done any investigation? Genuine one or matter. Jovika, you can read and write. Amnesty International will put a list of people in the Kinakulaka at 3 a.m. Mundibo, Yanu Fadina, no Makafa, Borfa, Afuhaya, Afosaya Lukita. Amnesty International mentioned those things. They mention again, check Amnesty International. And Kapo, you can get international. Or International. Amnesty International now work with Nigeria. None of Nigeria official well organized. They are not fighting Amnesty International are not IPOB. They are not Biafra. Go and read their own reports. They will teach you all those things. Who put you on? You got married one. Or book threat. Or reasonable and the national lafugi. That's annoying part. Because the way if you could now this some of them that this video I got a look at that it made me to somehow look you one kind that you are acting out of ignorant, and that's the privilege. And I want you to learn from this. Be neutral. Each people in our madam so joy each one you can go William Meloko. Enjoy each other William Meloko. Now the same video Meloko can promote to each other and the Kenga. Same video can promote to Bukobi. Money the video in general about the Kunya Ebelisia. Now give Bisia. Iso in I mean promote. So who are you then? the papa, in fact, what is the margin to what I so report and afia na every court case or mafia. Mana ije the Ghana every double camera na demand the na Modican. Which kind of friend is that? I don't believe you. There's no way made you believe. How can I trust you? I imagine now that Jovika, that I said that you are my brother, I wish you well, you know, that kind of thing. Then I will not, after saying that, I will not make a video where we set a table, eating food with people natural to get natural go. Will you trust me? Yeah, madam. So Zaya.
Like this. I just nailed the video down. In 2023, they put that how about somebody because of this lockdown? How about the police have all their name of fuel, the gas station, I drive on and I think a bubble and then the police have about one of saw them man at that affair. They go civilian, they go evil, you know, getting the half of the lockdown. Then we complain, all of them have a attack. Can you just tell me what is attacking here? Well, I'm telling you, this is wrong. People never video.
He just mentioned police. If I'm in the wagon, I reply again. Always, in Canada, you're not going to check in a Google. That type of a man called Iboja. A man called Iboja, Nelugu State. Or if it's going to be Kogan. Or police. They say, you're the type that I'm met to see able. Ozuloshia, Ozuloshi, Ozuloshiji, or Ozulu Crochet, or Mahia Kappa. Kolo Babuya were Tosanana. A police failure. And the police are both you. Oh, Igbo. You get the point now. Mother de Kagana, a recruit in a police got Bajaja. You know, Chineke go divorce. Wa yenga police. With Afghan I don't want to insult you. Those are gonna checkpoint. A better than what I go over and go over nearby market. He took us here by easy jaja. I be question that need a different than that killing is too much. Or towards digging over because you don't understand what you are doing. You are highly uninformed. And you are acting on that, on ignorant. Highly uninformed. It you got a man on the US now walk to that nail to do and undo just to exit at home because of agreement. How will they go one another be with you? You say that US you can say, and that's why it makes you a suspect. For you to refuse to reason along with the truth before you, it makes you a suspect.
Okay.
Christopher, I see you. You're welcome. Ben Iwu, I see you. Nkemu, I greet you. Oyenus, you're welcome. Please do me a favor, like the video.
So that when you watch this video, you will hear me clearly. Oburu ni hunu ne bo enso. Nam na areko. Ma uso dem ma. O fulani. Obu lendo so na bo nam na areko. Obu nde US. On the DX. Ndo bo nam na areko. We na condemn in the family. Obu ne so ko nam na areko.
God vision, I greet you.
Oga di ofa. Nisim. Okubi okwo oburu nukuru oga di ofa. HW nature make them organ. Mobile no asi, go to nothing. And the Kubioku, Abu Mono, Gadini soon, the body so moon. Nandani and our now at Jesus Christ, when you want, amen. Why all this wickedness?
This is if you keep going you're the straight in our time. I'm not doing that because I am not there. Money na-ekwu ya kwụrụ ụgwọ ya kasị na mmanụ gị dịkịta blame ndị na-ekwu ya does not mean I'm not saying that na-akwụrụ ụgwọ mba because I am not there ọ ya ka m kwụrụ oge nke nkere o nwere ike the watch their art o nwere ike ọ bụ na akwụrụ ụgwọ but I cannot just say swear, no. Some people are like that. Some people are acting based on without knowing. That's why you're acting out of ignorant. You may be ignorant of anything until you spend time to educate yourself on that. It is possible. Or may not need you illiterate. You may be ignorant of, email one machine operate. Does not mean that you are uneducated. Do you get the point? So it's not an insult. Now, upon if you could, if this you can you beat your chest, swear with na obuni na nebu na ndị Igbo banka de kuna ndị police na nda mere go na ada like equal no Simon ekpara no na America na mere you use this energy you ka kwue. I dare you, can't do that. You know why? Because you are not there. Man, I can say kiss you, that's if an image and investigation, even a good person. No. You get the point now. So it's not easy. How about equal man? Oh, one man in my place, Gazouche. I see nah, not they got Gazouche G. Kefi or not deny. Oluzo boss a robo reporter na ga kwali ko uzeni go die na uzulo share gwa yazo. Uzo ya de kunozo, uzo ya de kunozo. Okwado chi ga kwasasa na alu that morning. Oga ku ebe mamia dona. Okay mado. We bula na mamia we miwa. Mia mamia kwa ya kasi ogene we fene megines. Obati man get ga na meba na we kola ba has that no bukwa na since ya couple on na mamia. Na wata since ya couple on na mamia. Na ya open yesu ku ife ma. Don't for catch us me 3 minutes 4 minutes. Since na yesu be goshi. Ha ndoke na na this guy not okay really go in kunya so na you all about go believe. Fa ma don catch us couple na mamia few minutes ago. You know what are the point? And I will leave it there. Okay, my name is Dalon. Get it?
Somebody got it 5 days. Or none, there are some wrong. Are they not also designed as a woman here? How could I get teenagers at home or lockdown because of the get
okay, if you problem my name, echiche. Obuna. Kembos Jovika, you need to understand if in Amalati Ama Putasina. Oh, if one African one other person I don't talk because I don't know much about it. But I don't know much about it. Iga Juno Wegi Operation Crocodile Smile. A medical and Yoruba. And the Zoshi na Yoruba, yes. A West Coast miners na Yoruba, yes. And they kidnap na Yoruba, yes. Robbery on Agana Yoruba, yes. And they watch on Yoruba, yes. A Operation Crocodile Smile, Operation Python Dance, Mba. When you go see from the Yoruba, they protest for anything at all about them, Mba. A Yoruba agitators, yes. How many of them are in prison? None. A Yoruba agitators, yes. How many of them came Ugu? None. Apart from one thing, government based on the board. Man, why this wickedness? Or why you guys you are in better position to answer this question in July. Evil, why all this wickedness and hatred? Because all I goes here. If you cannot remember what happened to your people, that is a sign of hatred and wickedness. You don't know. You can't remember, you refuse to put yourself in the shoes of family that lost lives day in, day out in every corner of Nigeria. Simply because that family. How many go to your platform? This energy somebody go governor of Lagos State if on a demolition on the I dare you. Instead, if I can you are blaming the victim. You are blaming the victim. You don't talk about it. If you make content too, because I know you don't joke with any availability. You make content, but kiss and make we are able to on them man. Then you remember how to speak Igbo. Then find the moon on them man. Hey, kuna fugo. Now wow, ndi boy ha kana go. Uru puta na igwa sum na baby. No, we see na Imo State. Yeah, we na. You just market and keep the why you can reach out because you always put your number so that if there, people will now reach out to you. What you got? I think it's like many I will believe about US. So many of them, many of them, not all. Some of them behave like village people. Now put up in a township, let alone live in a township. Na America, ebe kacha when the policy isi akpọdoro na nakwa na America. Ebe ga aka fụkwa ndị kacha baa uru na ndị baa nakwa abroad kwa na America. Mana ndị nke a isi ha bụ isi ha eji garị mmiri juru oyi wee mee wee amara ha pọtị n'isi. Ebe America ka fa jụrụ. America, we very smart, intelligent one there as well. Mana ọtị nọmba ụta ndị nke isi ha ndị money ministry ụta akpọ ya na phone jụrụ ka ịma na ife na-ekwu na ịbụ onye ụka na ime gị ka ya ka gotara ya na o make ego nke ya. I'm just saying, I'm not saying that he's selling that. I'm just giving you an example of what this guy do. Because after telling people, then what next? Somebody protested because Jovic that now. Because of aman PC ke ko ba pata abo no ne. Mari ga press ya ka ba po ki wolo once and for all. But I'm na you got interpret. At the end of the day, they were interpreted wrongly. Ike Jesus, I see you. Elizabeth is here with us. Good morning to you all. Please like the video.
What making us go through plan? Checking his some of this will walk for the name checking out to 200 and 300. But I'm planning when I go home. I'm a Galimaya. One of the bus right 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, up to 5,000, 10,000. I'm a putting one in us. Really a lot back. This is what I'm planning to do. Because can you get anything for the heading up of the highest 5,000, 3,000, 4,000?
Our brother is supposed to amen. You can't go simple as bomb. If you can remember. Ebobo na ife 10,000 ndị anaghị ọgwụcha ife iwu bụ data ego maybe 50,000 naira in water na-adash ndị mmadụ 50,000 ka ahịa ga-ezu iji gameze increase na afịa ha na-ekpọsa mana nke anyị na-achọ nke ị ga-ebu na ya so they need sponsor fund their business to progress to proceed ibn because ị karịrị ya bezo ife ị na-ekwu this I'm gonna give you one. It's a lie. And even if Nabucco, let's say the voices I'm gonna like you love to say. Do you believe that Simon for that kind is not happy? You don't know him. I'm happy. This no group no for marketer. You could get chance now. If because you can't do it, but it's good to cover even because for you to claim it goes to show that you are not sincere to yourself. Like I said, if there's any way you find what I'm saying as an insult, I'm sorry. I don't mean to insult you in this video. I want you to change your word, change your way. Okay, I want to change your way because actually what I'm now. He did, what actually he did not understand. After Nigeria divides the old eastern region, Nigeria came out. They're going to American. American. After Nigeria no channel war, everything split in Igbo, when the Igbo, when Lagos do the vibrant place to do business. Stop don't shut down the refinery, do everything on Adigoma. A country where oil in the east, Ghana no refinery in the west. To be honest with you, anyway, let me not insult you. Like I said, I'm trying to control myself.
Don't come out. No one say because why not leave this people? No one about which you have half of the that too. When you about which you have the line of money, Huri Bonaya. I'm about to name you. Why this wickedness?
I don't know how to say this so that it will sink in your skull. I don't know I don't know how, but I understand. Maybe I believe that you will watch this video because I tag you this video. I have not done this since this video like broadcasting and all that. I have not actually tagged anybody officially, but this one I have to tag you. So if reasonable, no, I never don't believe. Say on your own time, think, recall, remove sentiment. I guess you can go brief to Ginifa. Use your own and do research. Okay. Because if you're like more, I don't know a lot about other things, but has to do on social media. We can see that I have never been in any meeting. All right, in case no one guy in support to somebody. I am an Igbo person, original from my great grandfather. What are the across the border now? What I'm trying, I'm not saying for you to believe me, but for you to map out time, deliberate on some of those things that you think that you know, but I tell you, you know nothing about it. God Vision says, Joe Vicar, you are a big time sabo. Ben Chika, say good day to you. Good day to you, Ben Chika. And as old as this man is, he is still in America. Why can't he go? Why can't he go come? I don't know. I think you made a mistake. Why can't he come back to Nigeria if he's so much like here? My dear, that's a very good question. That's a very good question.
Now, I want to use this opportunity to address my brother Iken Goruagu.
Okay.
And myself.
Okay.
Because I have to send this people because I talk to them. In a fight in herself, they don't even give a damn of you. Let me speak for myself. I don't know what the little I know about Ikenga. No one naira is being given to him anywhere. But I don't know who can they
oh, Jovika, I wake me one night I will come again. Okay, God. Okay, each and you can give on the part of love. Oh, never did one. If you can come, you witness you can get with this now, as I remember. If only now you can get opposite of you. Like do I'm seeing you from this video. From this video. You can get that in each video that now. Opposite of that thing is you can. Opposite of that thing if you get now. We all know ourselves. It might be in a me for John if in a me former. Yes, you know. Your inner conscience, your inner spirit is telling you. That place I'm going to give each a place is not the opposite of this two praying about. Man, unfortunately, you don't know because in each and every oh God, you don't know. There's a conversation of this man with Ikenga that I can't wait to play here. Okay, it's this video. You know, I'm interpreting the video too much because the video is 1 hour plus. We have already played, we just played only 17. That goes to show that the video is very long.
I don't think there's any plan to even appreciate Iken Goruagu. I don't need your appreciation.
God forbid.
God is my sponsor.
I swear to God. Iken Goruagu. But I rather appreciate Shegumi. Yes. I rather, personally, I'm speaking for myself, I rather appreciate Shegumi for telling us that the world now go ethnic war. That's the only way to wake your, to alert your subconsciousness. I rather appreciate Shegumi than Iken Goruagu. I am not, this is not me calling Iken Goruagu said, I am not one of those wishing or dreaming of buying him, no. Because I can't stamp my hand on anything. I'm not in for that. But based on what is going on, what we are seeing, I appreciate Shegumi than the Keguraga the okay, man, how deep? If from my own side, okay, man, how deep? And damages. Shegumi have not demanded for head of Master Monokan. Never. Shegumi have not demanded for head of Samanepa. You yourself, you know who Shegumi is. You can't start. If you don't know, don't pretend. Maybe you do, but somehow maybe you are in for this. I don't know. But God, who sees his secret, knows everybody's heart. So you have okay, man. Like I told you, open up with another word for ignorant. That's where you're operating from. You know nothing of what you are using your platform to do. And I'm just advising you as a brother, as an uncle, as anything you may call yourself. Stay away from these people and focus on your life. You can befriend them, but be very careful. They are not with you. They don't think like you. Their mode of operation is far away from you. Unless if you are what I'm not. If maybe I misjudge you. Maybe the way what I'm thinking about you now is not who you are. That truly you are just like them, because thousands or millions of Igbo people now are seeing you like that. In case if you don't know, if you're not because you don't know, you know nothing about them. What do you expect? This video will be long, to be honest with you. Or please, if you are tired, you can just go. Other people will join. And I just want to pour my mind on this, because honestly, I hate seeing our brothers and sisters going this gaga. It is very shocking. And seeing people like these people enable us. This is not to say that if you are supporting, and some of you think that you are doing what I do because you love Nigeria and you want Nigeria to be one. You can you're not the only one that wants Nigeria to be one. There's no country, nobody, no agitation, no freedom fighter or movement in this worldwide that have ever fight for their freedom without having opposition. It is normal. If you want Nigeria to be one, this is, selling your people and indirectly killing your own is not the way to show that you want Nigeria to be one. You can do it the way you are saying, fight it peacefully. Why don't you also promote Nigeria peacefully? But you keep on calling for the head of youth, bragging. Look at the guy called, this man called Ekwebek. For what? He keep on calling for the head of youth. I buy this. If you know that these youth, some of them are committing crime, apprehend them. Yes, now apprehend them. I'm not in support of anybody promoting this kind of, but you cannot tell me that you are contented with the Bubago and the rest of them, and at the same time you are against. It doesn't matter who you are. Killing is killing. Evil is evil. Crime is crime. You cannot support this one and condemn the other one. That's the way we raise our eyes. What is he saying? That kind of thing. So we that don't belong to any armed group or any group, we are just an Igbo person who find what is going on as inhuman, and we are talking about it. Does not mean that I'm supporting any evil. If today the United States of Biafra government decided to go out and begin to slaughter people, you think I will clap for them? No. Because you don't take life that you cannot create. But self-defense against murderous spies or murderous invaders, you know them, is something that you yourself, because for you to say that you have men on ground, it simply means that you understand that our land needs men on ground then. You understand? Even though you are trying to be politically correct, I understand how your line of defense, but don't lie to people. We already captured it. We already not captured that your statement to use it against you. I'm not going to use it against you, but don't use what you said against other people. Be man enough to stand on what you believe on.
I don't know if you kill it because I don't know the guy is saying the truth. Why do we?
Somebody now is saying the truth. There was this your video that I have played in the past where you narrated the reason why you changed. Today you are trying as if there's no reason, you just saw pine going on and you changed. No. I'm kind of person that hold people on their word. Your word matters a lot to me, because that is the only thing that will enable me to know more about you. Let's continue.
actually okay. But again, in this video now, when you get chance here, I will send the ball rolling. Listen to this video
Okay.
from Evangelist Ebukobi. Listen to this video.
Go to every police station in Lagos now. If there are 70 cases in any position in Lagos now, it's Igbo and Igbo. You hardly see 2 Yoruba that have police case. You hardly see 2 hours or 3 hours. If they have misunderstanding, it will not get to police. One language, Fellow Igbo will drag you, do everything. And you feeding me. You don't know who I am. That is why our region is the most undeveloped region in Nigeria. Check. You are answering Benonia in somebody's land. You're a disgrace.
But the record have it, you guys are at the same time saying that you aren't developed. The same Igbo people are telling us that Igbo, the fastest developing region is Igbo land. When people be saying, okay, so the issue of dragging, he himself is also dragging Igbo. Is it not the same way Bukobi that actually supported Hopos Odema? That was telling him in Igbo to go out and vote. You remember? Because of our now. So I don't want to go there, but you know what I'm talking about. If we cannot live like Yoruba people, you cannot change it. That this is who we are. But we have to learn how to be disciplined. You have to learn it. Discipline is our problem. But we cannot just, don't tell me, see, can't you see Yoruba? No. Their case is different. Do they fight war? Like, do they have their fight other, apart from the one Nigerian did, which is, collective fight from different tribes against the people? Have they received bullying? How many shares in Dagon and Yoruba? How many airstrike in Anani Yoruba? We can't see. You have not seen that until they pass through what Igbo people pass. Then you cannot compare. That is my own point of view. Don't talk down on our people because you can't say Yorubas are not fighting. We are the tribe that received 20 pounds. Have Yoruba people received their 20 pounds? Abandon everything they have until they do the same thing. Then you cannot call my attention on that. So what you are saying is babash. Yes, our people need to adjust in some of our attitude. I agree that it is normal. But what is more dragging? What is more Igbo versus Igbo than what this Jovika and their group are doing? Anybody that have have the red roll in our land is an IPB member. Since the surface of social media begin to talk about something like every kind of Wilbago is now IPOB boys, no more the kind of boys. Then the guy whom they're working for, he claimed that he don't work for anybody, that he's out of his mind. Okay. But the people that they are siding with, they are officially working for this man, who was the man, rest of them. He said, no, they're not receiving anything, which is a lie. I don't want to say this until you say what will make me to say it. Let's continue.
Where your village, you cannot even travel to your village. Bandits have taken over your village. And you're a billionaire in Abuja. A billionaire. If somebody's land, you're a disgrace. A billionaire. SND Gona Ghana. SND Gona Ethiopia. SND Gona America. SND Gona UK. SND Gona Lagos. But your village, bandits are there. Your village, there is no road. Your village, there is no life. You're a disgrace. You don't know the meaning of being a billionaire. Anything you have that your people are not benefiting, you have not started. Igbo state, all the whole Igbo, 5 states of Igbo.
Amadi Chigos, I greet you.
Niger state as a whole. Niger state as a state is more than the whole state. What does it take you to bring some of your investment home? You tell me that is not this. When you bring it home, or this person bring it, before you know it, that place, there will be no room for bandits. Bandits cannot operate if there is houses and the development. Bandits will always operate if there is no development. They will always operate in the bush. What does it take for Igbo billionaires to turn southeast to present day Dubai?
I don't know.
What Zion Ministry is doing today in Kampala? If other 30, 50, 80, 100 Igbo billionaires, 200 can come out, what are we talking about? Nobody can leave the southeast since he's going to look for work in Ghana. The reason of going outside to look for work is because there is no work at home. We easily fight ourselves. I mean, not so. Go to the market and see how they are dropping charm for each other. Sending some people away from the market in Abalongo, in trade fair, in Onishamen market, using charm against each other, using charm that your brother is doing well. The only thing you can do is to use charm for him to have a very shameful few individuals that devil has possessed. Moses saw Israelites fighting.
Now, this is what Ebukobi said. I agree, and at the same time I disagree. First thing first, bandit can operate in the city. You guys, this is to tell you that many of these are people, they don't even understand the template and mode of operation these people are using. You see, I am in support of developing Igbo land 100%. I'm in support of Akulu. I'm against those, but even by building house, let alone company owners. That one irritates me the most. But I am not the one that making the money for you. I can only suggest and advise. The choice is yours. Do you understand? Now, the issue of bandits don't operate in the city. They can only operate in the relay. They are using. You are going to stop fuel tanker that is loaded with the fuel. They are using it. Okay, Dangote's truck. They are using this hit and run, setting bombs. Go and check, because the problem of our people is that you don't remember, we don't recall what happened in the past. During Jonathan, when Boko Haram started, how did they start? What was their target? Churches. They will go to church and blow themselves up. Those churches was not in the bush. Do you understand? It wasn't in bush. The Boko Haram you call Boko Haram then is nicknamed bandit today. It depends on the environment where they want to operate. They have to use the work in line with the environment that they're going to carry out their crime and all that. So the idea of they cannot operate in the city is not true. They do operate in the city, and that's not. I'm not saying you should not bring your wealth and everything in Igbo. No, I love what he himself is doing, but he's not the first that have done that. Bringing his establishment in Igbo land and all that. He's not the only one that have done that. But remember, you can also build Igbo land, and the government will wake up and say, from so place to so place, we want to take it to build something. Government want to take it. They have the right. That's one thing these people don't understand. That even if you develop Igbo land, like you say, where you ignore your own freedom, those things that you build can be taken away from government. They have the right. They are government. For example, where Ebukobi is building land in Anambra State, federal government may wake up tomorrow and say they want to build military barrack there. That Ebukobi have 3 months to vacate. If they are kind, though. Ebukobi, if you like, you go to court, do everything. The government have spoken, and that is final. Now you offer that land there. I hope you know that. You don't know that government have right to tell you that your investment estate. They may say that from so place to so place is not government property. You get that from this place without any compensation. Government want to build something. Igbo people think about. That's why government is the power. After God, they are the next. And for you to make sure that you are building this investment in a solid rock, your freedom first. And I'm not going to further that. For those of you building in Lagos and all that, your own is sorry. Okay, make it why I'm not going to give me a room. He may be an ike. He may come and say, I didn't. Nobody why they get. We got all the mean.
Why are you fighting yourself? All the whole bloggers, Yoruba bloggers are making money without dragging anybody. The Yorubas are even the ones that started blogging, and they make big money in blogging. And the Igbo bloggers believe that the only way they can make money is to drag people that did nothing to them. I don't know if you are listening to me. Yes.
Another lie. Dragging is for nobody is exempted in the issue of dragging. That's not true. And I understand his own side of the story because people drag him a lot. But somehow he started it though. I don't want to go there. This is a religious issue. But Igbo people drag because people drag Igbo a lot. Some of the Igbo people that you see that dragging is in response of dragging and not drag. Just like we always on the receiving side. From the time of Ojukwu, receiving side. That is why it was defensive war. Anyway, I don't know.
Yoruba people started the blogging. That is the problem of indeed. Amen. Fighting themselves. When in the cave.
Let me see if I can go out. What is wrong with this? Yeah, we'll take in a video down again. I'll take a video down. Just a moment. How they go take the video down? Let me go back again and confirm. Okay. Okay, the video is here. The video is here. Mind that couldn't go on. So I don't know if he decided to bring it down. The voice is not coming out. Why? Can you hear anything? I'm not hearing anything from here. I'm not hearing anything. What is the problem? Okay.
Where I praise Simon.
Oh, wait.
Yoruba people started in blogging.
Okay.
I hosted him with Media together when we discussed about the constitution. That was when I started having interaction with Simon Eba. Thank you, Bukobi. That's a very wonderful. Somebody after that roasting, I have always spoken against almost most of them, which is the truth. That's not who's the man I come over. Let me them make us here against who's the man. Now look at the video where I praise
I don't need those things.
November 2000 and guys, please, something. My alarm is. Go and check the.
I want to skip the part where he was yelling to his wife.
Now look at the video where I praise.
He was yelling to his wife. I don't know. I want to skip that part.
So he did. I made this video. Let TikTok on just give me. Let me. My people, son. Go over there. I'm with the mother. Guess no, you. Somebody that can have your home. God, you ready to say yes.
Wait. Now I want you to hear what he said about Tijel.
I made video in appreciation. They kind of showing my number one also that I believe in Christ. I confess Christ as my Lord and Savior. That was when he said, I appreciated him for that statement he made. And that was the time.
Maybe you are right, Kevin. He said, Mazukai, this man is well informed. He's just as evil as those of Ikenga and Co. Probably in Ngozi, our mommy is here. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. You are welcome. Also blessed. I see you. Margaret, greetings to you. Destiny Chinedu, you are welcome. And Franco Conco is here with us. God bless all of you. Please do me a favor. Like the video.
Yes, okay. See, because this guy alive. That man gave a series of video to appreciate you. You open into. So that is the between Matthias and then Ebuko BMA. Immediate moment, yeah, that say I confess Christ. May I make that video. See, thank God that someone has identified with Christ. And I thank you for showing that you were a Christian. This shows that you are really a child of God. Based on his confession. And the second thing we may have gone wicked speak to his boy, get released that guy. Many of his boys reach out to me say, I'm gonna say on the Mexico. See, I'm gonna so the only thing because I don't get it with the buy. That is my own. I don't connect me post that to not on the buy out. So that video, I sent it to him, tell him about it. Because Kadaga, unfortunately, I'm a Bodaga. But when he doesn't get dressed for why, I don't appreciate that was when I fell out with it. I fell out with it. Go and check. So that day, I'm supposed to promote. Where did I promote someone?
Now, this is the reason why I don't believe this is your story. This is the reason why. Let me just, please, my people, hold on. Let me see if I still have this man video here. Because I hate him. I hate it. Oh, video ebo kọwara ebe inu ya ile togo inu ya gbawara no bokwata o togo ebe o kọwa maka inu ya gbawa o bro fit today. Is it this one? So we can video work out whatever on I can't remember. Okay, let's meet here. Let's see this one. Please, just bear with me because this video I'm not gonna talk. I wanted to play Ikenga, but he did. But let's focus on this man. I really want to say something. You don't worry, I will put a link. Don't worry, I'm gonna put a link, my sister.
Uromi Hunters Association.
Ablanca. Just bear with me. Oh, we but still don't call about the different from before what before. Oh, baby, you will oh, can wagana. But so no okay with the toys. Oh, as you got to was we can save mother. But in care as a pachapaya twice in no Kobukana name other man.
Na akwụrụ m ụgwọ. Ebe ma na akwụrụ m ụgwọ. What stops you iwere more money nye m? Can we can akụzi okwu for you? Gị mechie ọrụ ndị ọzọ akwụọ m ụgwọ, ndị Janjaweed akwụọ m ụgwọ. Are you okay? Gị gba nkịtị, Janjaweed akwụọ nwanne gị ụgwọ, ya na fight against you. Why not give me that money?
Please hold his previous statement. Hold it very, very firm. Now ya contact Simon. Gwa Simon the video na ndị ndị otu kuchi ya. Ya gwakwa ya fandi jori ya. Ke kusumata fandi jori person. Na kwe get the number and everything okay. I'm not doubting because I'm not there. But I just want to make sense. Let us make sense together out of it. Now he reached out to Simon. Simon is okay. Ya got 50 million. We make say agbagbo ndaf. After someone promised na okay na get this in down. E make agbagbo ndaf. Neighbor care Indians no gbawa. The same Simon ka ndị amị jidekwere onye amị ya kwa ndị amị bụrụ ebe ịgba ibu ndị amị Biafra fejidi ya na ndụ onye Yoruba he release the person ndị Yoruba kpọkwa na phone ọ welele ka ndị amị gwa Simon eji edota Simon make a video see her release edota na kwe again the same ndị amị na-ekwu okwu ejidego some people make a video publicly release the power one name Mataya says that was captured release egburu ya. Now listen, this video you made the video before because come make it up just the recent video can they play now. Man, I can't feel about come before. They all if we were if you now. If not the two different story, then how can you now trust such a person?
$20 million, give them $35 million. So the guy been around Janjaweed or one of the ihe kwuru m ụgwọ m ji na-eme ihe a onye unu na-ahụ picture n'akụkụ m ugbu a bụ a reverend of the Anglican Church. Aga m agwa unu otu m na ya chi wee mara nwa ka wu principal school n'Ọsụ etinye sit at home that day a na-ele English ya nwere nwe file otu ụmụaka ga-esi misie English ya ga meet ndị commander ESN n'Ọsụ si ha lee a na-ele exam ụmụaka isis ha bi ebi n'ime school can they go ahead with the exam ha sit at home. The commander said okay ebe since ụmụaka nọ n'ime school they are not working around the community no problem reverend. The man are very happy were ego manya can settle all the ESN commander. Go settle ya alawa. Monday rugo, sit at home. Exam rule invigilator there. Ya show or see it over. Go and with them many. Koga pick the invigilator. Oputago knows the corner in the ESN as stop boy. See, an 18 is that why are you moving around? Yeah, go come more reverend. Has okay, or go with that reverend. Okay. Mbakari go. Corner chipo. Oh, to name had you overzealous. Apota. Nyani your phone. Or phone kick a jab on damn. My own nature. Maybe a lot of with a phone. What man has no beyond my name way subobula. With a phone. Yeah, hand over the phone. Or hand over the phone. Lotters here. Ndame a whole coach will drive or law. Rush, I be one at church there, Nime school. See, I put on the ESN and Hana Haruko. That's Yana Hana Haruko. Ele he the drive war, Gabat on way Hameregi. Yes, well, I wouldn't be. I never respect Ndo Kochuku. Before you even the Nigerian soldiers, Zoku. That was how happens here. But on the ESN, I know that Ndami Pata. Na church, na compound school, where Barazi Biawa. Kahana be having boy meat here, no zo. Almost like close to the almost a church. Eba alawi beelu. ESN ababu ndami abo. Ndami ababu ESN ato. Babu chera here. The following morning, nwa catechist ya na nna ikwa ha bi na the same parish. Owe kpọ na phone. Anwa ya no kwa nami. We see Daddy, I know now what I knew the church yesterday. Nime church, yes, my own nime church, not new hole. I call it Coreo to show me. And when I go to church, but not the young man sympathize with the people who lose their life. Even the young man has support Biafra. I say, among I can't give it, no, Nigeria happen when I but the guy no gonna me, but he knows he's from Biafra. Because everybody you uniform now fighting against Biafra. Some of them not there, they all hear back actually in the Marasu, how we're gonna have Umibo. But when you say, Ungola or a uniform, go. Chineke get pay money in the So, what much as recall, yes, okay, Reverend, but that's the Reverend no pay. Come or Reverend Marco Tomere. Up all our Reverend. When a phone, Reverend, no, I can the ESL. How Captain Young, okay. So like when they are Reverend Anaro, 6 of them are blue motorcycle, land there, na church compound. Pop and working mother. Wine Lotra. A day wine who touch around Umuyanine, 17 years old, not there. Lotra Wayek. How up there? See ya, Yaleque. No, do I chopped again and damn in Aroko. Just God forbid. No, what Jesus got. Now, quite better take such a law command. Yes, but I heard the Orogi. Just so can them. We are one cat kiss in Money and Aroko. No one no gay queme, or 40 name of Poga Joe the cat kiss. No one or so when on back. No one sorry, men. I say the hell. And the Kahana main interrogation, other people no name pick and they brew rice. And they brew beans, a brew plantain, a brew him the marriage with all mama at church. Now cross the bob electric. Now park here, Hajaga, now their camp. If I walk longer, your hail, your hala. Where's your queen in there? No, why to pour on? He will be Bob Wood, my Lozia cut about there. He will be Bob Wood this man. You wear wine. Yeah, but wine, yeah, why I can't hold it with admission. Jump hold it with admission. One Haga school for 2 years, no. The girl just Uncle Yana just knock at all no for 2 years. Uncle Yana just TN at one of the schools. Non Imo State now. I have to go investigation. Chotabe number the girl. Every month, someone they send her upkeep here. Ujaga school. Nina papaya ngwana. Mama ya na taho. Now, can you gini gini gwamu me onyo kochukumene eji kwafo baraya in the name of ina chonworo onwe. Mmadụ na asọzie na respect onye tere mmanụ n'ihi na chonworo onwe. Ma ahụcha ihe a gịsị m na m ga-ekpuchi ya. Then cannot much way because of that incident. How did I am na ga-egbu m but all local na Igbo. Na 2021 September ka ihe na-eme. Gịnị ka m mere? AIT report on our non-government. Different news channel there on non-government. AIT they can there ESN make sure or somebody need a warning. I change here. There's a suspected DSS. More being on my own channels. Now here on non-government. Sorry, Mercy. Or on non-government or ESN. This my friend and my brother. Somebody upon my phone. After many investigation, John did not grab because I know that area very well. My John had confirmed, may announce the Kundeburia Bunde ESN or on non-government. Someone upon my phone. Nemule Gumi, no Manunanga Gumi, no Katra may expose in the Fulani bandit. Nalehim they may expose my brothers. That I'm the job about. I say, the Fulani ana hebu Fulani. Mono wundi Igbo lani, unu na wundi Igbo. So all na Fulani buwe Fulani, Gumi game expose. Oh my God, the Fulani ana hebu the Fulani mere Gumi geje protect ya. Unu na mego le nwanne me buele, guess me chon me expose. So yeah, when they hear sponsor from all henye na mego nchi na ekwu okwu na ekwu. Mgbe mere ya abụkwa during the time of Samuel ebe bido bekwa. Sit at home ya that time. All the good Dieu said before someone a bit zenke his own case money I'm a quite my next page. So here my pen but I won't when we are not stranded, I have to be named. I paid this girl and my salary every month. Because we can name what to go get you don't win at school. You don't tell them. You know some has sponsor. Can cook that against Biafra. Could you know onye si ihe ọjọọ dị njọ ihe ọjọọ apọ n'ụlọ ya esi ihe ọjọọ dị mma ọ ga-erugo aka obi ụtọ m na dị na mbịara bịa announce na ESN gburu ya ha si na mbọchị ọla nru akwụ mkpara ala Igbo na ga-awụ onye nwụrụ anwụ ma ekele m Chineke ihe edere na Matthew chapter 2 ọ sị kpọrọ nwatakịrị a wee laghachi ndị niile na-achọ ndụ ya ha anwụgo ekele many of them dere aha m na a ga-egbu m ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ala ugbu a otu akwa na ngidekwere kwuwe nke ụnụ sa a ga-egbu m otu akwa unu ga-anọkwa n'ime ala ụbọchị m ga-abata ala Igbo ise onwe onye m gburu onwe onye m sị ka egbuo naanị ihe m na-eme expose ihe unu na-eme so unu anaghị ewe iwe na mmadụ gburu mmadụ but ihe unu na-ewe iwe onye kwuru na egburu ihe ụlọ na-emekwa unu mmadụ gburu mmadụ nwanne ya akpụchie ya mas mepee ya sị mba ọ na ugburu kama na ga-adị sọrị na egburu unu ewe iwe na a ga-egbu onye kwuru sọ ya unu gburu.
Now you get the point, right? I am against any killing. Anybody is not good. Especially according to the story of the because I don't know this thing. Especially the man who or the wrong. And he made it clear if I have Simon, now Simon is not have not started this story, man. Now, if you made a wig if you look after the wig you still sneak in, get a Simon and Lego. You know, grant interview. You know, journalist the Coloe daughter, let me even daughter, Gina Lego. All of a sudden, that now someone if you pay attention to this, wait. Now, if you pay attention to the right over here, suspected DSS member allegedly or alleged, because the video is not well spread. I can't read it because I believe it's alleged or suspected suspected DSS member, alleged Anglican priest, a maker person died. The headline did not say ESN, did not say Master Mechanic, did not say something about. He said that AIT made this announcement. Nafamalo made the investigation. No, I believe how to do it, and he told you that it's ESN. I cannot tell you that no goes with Nico Sadro. But the thing is that, if you could go to video and also that now, Nina, you had the wiggy, they will mad. Money when they wiggy na mad, you could enable mad. Good. Okay, judging by what you just said, Jovika, judging by this thing that you just said, you had the wiggy enable mad. Enable mad na ken na mad can. You are the way Nandi Jaffa they protest about the wofa. You are the way Guinean day Buloga Operation Python dance. You are the way reporting the Amnesty International. So this is to prove to you Amnesty International reports this guy Woli Foja Apollo. Report from AIT, for example, now in Africa, no discarding that one. Now could be argument in there so. Now, basic argument, okay, why, how dare you to do this? How dare you know that kind of thing? Or if I enough, it was then I want to buy you, but in the okay, next thing it was okay now, the buy more how to respect okay. Oh, my God, oh, my Sadama, because okay, now go fair. Or they or that like I will, okay, now go for okay, I'll run. I'm trying to go back to the normal position where I put this in before. I don't even know the size again. I don't decide. Okay, here we go. This now. Let's play it more because we are not done yet. We are not done yet.
Where? As anybody come now promote here. So that's the only thing. Now appreciate what say. I confess Christ. Same thing I confess the same Christ with me. I thank you.
Let's say, Mark. I see you.
Say okay. Because I praise him on that.
Where can you see? Yeah, you're welcome.
Happy about that guy and I don't deserve. But unfortunately, this is what sponsored my action against him. One small ego cowboy.
Man, I can't play just now, though. But why if you tell me I came?
You don't need any negotiation.
That's why I follow.
They don't need any negotiation anywhere. They didn't even pay me. Mother's okay. We end that. We'll pay you later. We are not. If there's any negotiation at all, in the name of Jesus Christ, you have been issue. But I don't know why she, you don't know that we issue again the issue. Now, Jesus, nature woman, then you know, I don't know. If you don't make and in a good name, can't get a message. Mata no go, but I can't go. That's why you need to be very, very careful. Like I have made my point. I don't support of any claim. Let's continue. Now, the same thing applicable to I have to make a check the number with the number. Or you say, my brother, listen to me. I don't know why you should be contributing to own the bar. Negate. Very interesting. Somebody I care for the people. Some people are one weekend. Another bogana. Yes, no contribute. This guy cutting out go see evidence. Because we call some of them now getting some people in trouble. They are the put to anybody here. But all one pushing man is what if over the over there? How will I okay? Let me show one of them. Kind of get the kind of that evidence. One of it. Came out the quality of evidence. Listen. And when they will try a report, he had declared not with the IPOB. Don't work on IPOB. He was still supporting TOX as against autopilot. If you go even Wagana, this is where I told you. It might be the that this man is what he's doing. He's doing almost all those things out of ignorance. Amarama. And I'm as if now much and let us talk, let us say it. Man, the truth is that they marry Fili Kumakia. And this is here we are. Now, Ijede singing an report there. Then they will tell a report as what? Ijede police. Ijede on army. Ijede came on what? And Unucha they be done a fake history. Fake history. Now no go on a support to IPB.
No, these are against autopilot. Na kwe genti. Ijele kembe ogo na Turkey. And the only champion of Popoya be Ikenga and the rest of them. The champion of Popoya, if this story no go now, and the manga gone further because of how complicated the thing is or how delicate it. I'm not gonna go for that, but I just want to let you know. I watch him live full program Ikenga. Oga na walk how to deport each other on a bigger life as I call man. I'll show you by your mic, but I don't want to go there. Gị nwa na-ekwu okwu na na-emara maka ya ịmara afịa azụ ịbịa ka irie ife na-amara maka ya ọ ka na-echere afọ dat n'aka gị dị ọcha na data ire ịmara ojijere bụ but after this video that's when you tag gị ị continue gwe maazị na true ife a na-ekwu maka gị na eziokwu si na hapụ ijele they are not telling you the truth. If you like you believe but they are not telling you the truth. Ijele pụrụ ya kọrọ gị for oge obi na Libya report ewetechie inform in Libya before got to Turkey. Get Turkey report with in Turkey before. I mean, he was even present. He was present in IPB meeting in Turkey. He will shoot that time. Over the bomb is in among the candy. Nekuna cut a master for no nobody. Wulu unity na na-egbu ije na mete were ma nwa ya wee wuo iyi bụ ife mere ife na agbari na mara ife ya na ife na nwoke na ife na-eme. It's up to you to believe, but like I said, after this video, if continue, a man named Mama ife na-eme. If like I said, I'm just taking it easy so that can happen na agbari mmadụ but ọ ka metụ ga kana ife na mara because ọ na-abụ ebe ibu ozu onye na-anọ n'ebe ndị ozu ebe obido na n'ụkwụ ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị that na ofu onye na-eche echiche maka sọsọ ya wa na-ada ajụ ese or just n'okwu na oche oji fọm n'ochite n'obi ọga aja na ya na aga gbadowe mami ya tinewe mami ya chine ya na-eme ife dị oke were okwu amara ife because from what I are saying na ịkpọrọ ijele told and give you evidence and most of this thing na evidence bụ propaganda and cooked up story in amara maka ya. But if you keep on embracing that and acting on it, then you know what you are doing is deliberate.
Now, as time went on, I see that this is my master Samo Master Nadigan Trabaku. Not the Canada book when I say, no, now this is a good way to stop. You want to have your worry.
Is any phone? This is a order worry. Don't come just yesterday. He can't get the hatred that God check his videos before Masakano. So if he can't get a book at the good and he didn't know where to preach. Okay, why that? Now he can't get a book where up to go from IPOB. Or when IPOB came, gonna fight the jen. No, if you united by Faketa and the book, after the master no more can. Ikenga was one of those fighting each other vocally, or even on social media. So he gonna say fight because a matter. He can't get no win a book here. Guagana Napo, Opota, Nazi address. Joy can give him not a politician. 25 over. He came up publicly and said that. And if I men on ground don't care what. Now if I sit at home, tooth and nail. This is at home in a cook, if people this at home, that Igbo people cannot protest. For anything. Both of these promote to Nigeria and they promote everything. Can you just I dare you to mobilize any protest? Ebe in America, I protest in America. Nigeria and America, can go where they do Madonna. Think about it. Divine Precious, if you are here, let me know. So that because I don't think you are still here. If you are here, let me know. I don't think you are still here. No. If you go, Obola Yawa, If you know the reason he wanted to kind of say somebody about John Madden. Yeah, because he can watch an IPOB as a pressure group, not a freedom fighter. Okay? The amount of politics and a plague in his seat. That's my annoying, that's my anger. The annoying part of it is you don't understand. The amount of politics and a plague in his Ikenga is not telling you the truth. Ikenga is not telling you the truth. Oh, Guamapa. Like, okay, you are here. Oh, Guama. Let me send the link for anybody that want to contribute. We just welcome because I think we have come to that part that I told you about. So you might say you can follow in.
Yeah, barrister, if I now I think the job for that time, going to my great of them. Say because what can I the kind of see ya caution on Simon, not the go. Yeah, so is it to when not the kind because I'm not a visit. See, why not caution Simon? Simon not the but I didn't know because he came where was there. So he confronts everybody. But why is it the case of Simon Simon and he keep quiet? He got some bow. Now that this one said that. Yeah, we've got a mind. Yeah, culture about these things. Okay. Is that what happened?
Listen.
Yes. And yes, if we cannot make sure this guy, don't do that, this guy.
Listen. I just straightforward because now go on. I just straightforward. You are not genuine, and like I said, after this, if you continue, I will never ever give you a chance to believe that you don't know what is going on. My sister, you are welcome.
Thank you, my brother. I know Kofuma. Should I continue?
Yes, now.
Okay. Okay, thank you for because I said open worker on a ignorant all the too much and ebe ọkpụbata m bụ ebe ọ na-ekwu na ya mechelu ihe na ọma m na enwe ka oche na suspect something maybe or the feel dị na ọ bụ na onye abụrụ Christian o nwere one thing. Sorry, good afternoon, Biafrans. I'm sorry for rush in. Oh, maka okwu this man. So ndị nọ na house make an onye ọbụla. So ebe ọ na-ekwu maka na o kwuru na ya na our PM ya were Jesus as his personal Lord and Savior. Onwe ihe nchọrọ ịkọwalụ ndị be anyị about God. You see, ọkwa gị otu anyị nọ kịta ka asị ka ekwu ngasị na ịbụsabo ndị ụka maọbụ onye ọbụla bụ sorry ka okwu asị wedara ka m kọwaa ya ọfụma ka m na-abịa iji m ya nwere onwe ya bụ dịka nwa anụ tefụchọn sabo ndị ụka ka m kọwaa ya ọfụma jee na ntị telechọrọ Biafra ntị ka m kọwaa maka ihe a na-enye ndị be anyị nsogbu. Ịma abịa na ịkọwa this God na ndị mmadụ believe nọ na isi ha na I take Jesus as my personal Lord and Savior. Ibugoro nwa Chineke. Ọchọzụdị ịma ihe ị na-eme, ọchọzụdị ịma ihe your attitude and any ma ọ jụọzikwa o welugo gị ka ibuzo nọ just because n'ikwu I take Jesus as my personal Lord and Savior. Ebe a ka o ji wee nwe convince maybe no Christian onwe eze ka support we mana maybe ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ Christian but ebe o ji wee connect tam ji enwe a kind of push to say something but all relate to ihe nwekwara issue with some people to ebe Nnamdi nọ based on ndị ụka room or something like that. Maka nke bụ eziokwu bụ na many people na-achọghị itinye ọnụ especially ndị ụka niile o bidogoro from Nnamdi ha nwee that hatred of maka na ọ bụghị Christian. One, ha achọghịzi ịma na ihe ọ na-eme adị mma o ma ka ọzọ ụlọ ndụ ma ihe ha niile ihe uche ha niile bụ na ọ bụrụ Christian. Ọsọ ọ na-abụrụ Christian a na-akọzi ihe a achọzi ka ihe a ka ya kọchie ya yet ndị Christian ya niile onweghị ofu onye eji aka jide mụrụ ofu onye ụka chike na okay, in a believe na no also na will Jesus as personal Lord and say you could ngoka if there's some certain things I gonna enwenu shock maybe one day maybe one day mother I go see give video ebe our PMO nefere so oji n'isi ya ta o say hey na chefukwe na o say na Jesus be personal Lord and ka ezi ka o si enyefe oso nna biko no ghọta na all these things anyị ji ndị mmadụ ji ekpe ma ọ mebi na iyuzuru mebi aka inu inwere ike maka ekpe na-ekpere normally o nwere ike dị na ya but our people have most of those things as fetish or all these things. They don't take it how ihe niile gị bụ ịda na take olive oil wee kpekpere ịpụ ha from olive oil you are fetish ọ bụrụ taa ọ maka na ndọcha rụrụ olive oil nke a ji adịrị anyị ka anything nke anyị ejiri ya kpọrọ anything ọ bụ ihe na-enye m concern ebe ndị na-ada aghọta dị a kind of aghọtachaghị ihe gbasara ihe Chukwu anụ ọfụma because abịa ha na ivuru uche ha niile na ikwu ha na ịbụ nwa Chukwu ma ọ na ibe Christian ka ezi maka ndị ọzọ dị na-elive right na-achọ ka ihe dị mma onye na-eso na-enye anyị some problem in that area ebe a ka m si ebe m chọrọ iput a kind of light to ndị na-adịwa more of ka ya magodoro onye anụwa be Christian ka or Jews ka all these things. It does. What matters is your personal life, your good heart. Because Nnamdi nwere good heart ka o ji chọwa nke ụmụ nwanne chọka ọ dịrị anyị ma ọ bụ na ọ naghị live fine all these things ụpọnụ mgbe niile na-abịa ibi na ọma o nwere some things ọ ga-abụ some people play gị video some video you na ọ bụ na inweghị thinking faculty dịka ihe ndị na-aghọta ha na-ekwu abụzi eziokwu something like asị gị educated illiterate some ga-asị gị oke na ha ekpe ekpere kịta ka ọ pụta na ga na-agwakwa ya nya akpalizide mmadụ ị na-ajụ onwego ọkwa kịta ekwe na-afụ ka educated illiterate acha esho mana prọfesọ so mana ndị kpọrọ onwe ha dọkịta so gị nwa sef na-eje bechacha na-eje secondary school end na primary school ka ndị ahụ na-erizi ị kwesịrị ịma na this life anyị nọ the beyond ihe a gwara anyị nọtata ihe bụ your highest mentor and your spirit and yourself in fact your spirit and your spirit ọ na-agwa gị ị na-echekwa from ihe ndị mmadụ gwa gị try go dị ka ị meditate within yourself digest ya check front and back right and center left right and center ọ bụ na ichekiche ya ọ bụ na ihe onye ahụ na-agwa gị bụ ya ite gị mana ọ bụ na o nwe ka o wee dị nna mistake ndị be anyị na-eme bụ ihe asị gị ha oji chọta bido right from ka ihe niile si wee bido okonjari ya n'elu ma ọ play gị one video dị somehow maka onye maybe assuming somebody chọrọ ịma ihe a na-eme na Biafra just watch all this man's program ọ ga-adị confused because ọ ga na-asị okay ihe a niile ọ na-akọwa na ọ bụrụ taa ka ndị asị eme na ndị achọkwara igbuchesi ndị be anyị just as you are saying okay ọbụgodo na ị na-ekwu maka hope ụzọ dị mma yes na-ego ihe abụghị our problem ọ bụghị kịta ka o bido ị ma have since before ebido even python dance na a na-egburi and nobody is saying anything ihe a niile bido mgbe Nnamdi pụta wee bupụta everything n'ilo bupụta ya n'ire akwụkwọ ihe anyị na-amabụghị ebido mụnwa nọ n'ụlọ ngwakwa gị na amaghadị m ka m even ka ha meni m ga-agwa gị azin to tell you na ndị novice n'ihe na-emebe anyị azụ ya nọ ndị na-ada enweta information our leader anụ Nnamdi bụ ihe bupụtara lot of things ndị mmadụ ji wee ma so ọ bụrụ na ị na-efolo ya ọfụma ma ọ na ị daghị ajụ onwe some certain questions ị ga na-eme ajọ mistake that's why ị ga-afụ mmadụ ọ na-ekwu eziokwu duto biko mmebi na onye ahụ abụrụ onye bunu ma ọ na onye ahụ just like ụfọdụ ga-asị gị na onye Abakaliki ama wetara anyị Biafra some things na-enweghị na-adịghị reasonable ị chọọ dị ịma na onye ahụ kee quality ya kee level ya na ọ ga-emenwe ihe ị na-ene anya bụ ka steeti o si wee bi kee family o si wee bi kee all these things which doesn't matter. So my brother when I'm just ebe nchi wee bakpute ya bụ ebe o kwuru na the day ya nọrọ na no accept Jesus as his personal Lord and Savior na nya dị not tranquil nya dị so
ọ dị ka network na-esi nsogbu
Yes. Yes, can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Can you hear me
you
now?
are back. Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Can try your concluded. The only thing and only here no abwe. Thank God na most of Biafrans are malugi. Anye diozi like believe or na judge. I na judge out of reality and with enough evidence.
It's number somebody Christian.
Nna agwakwa gị eziokwu sọsọ na ị na-ekwute okwu ihe Biafra is one of it. I'm telling you, ọkwa mụnwa bụ because na mụnwa bụ a victim. Anọ m n'ihe.
Cancer sabotage Christianity. I didn't want to know.
Okay, ịma na okwu ahụ dị somehow. Ngwache ka m kọwaa ya. I'm sorry for that because sometimes I will.
No, you are not sorry. You are not sorry. I'm sorry. I want to learn.
Okay. Okay. Mụnwa before anọ m n'ihu ụka well.
Okay.
Ndị niile m gwagoro ya mgbe m stọpụrụ ụka I found almost all of them onwere onye kwere ka mụ na ya nwee kind of discussion ka m kọwara ya problem ndị ụka nwere and why the mụnwa ji wee kwụsị ụka. Ọkpọrọ m enwere one thing ama m na some people are not like ka ekwute okwu ihe ụka ya mere m ji adịghị good and ya na ịpụtakịrị maka ihe ụka bet yet ndị chọkwara ịma ga-ama because onye na-achọ ịma eziokwu ọ bụgodu na ọ dịrọ gị mma na ntị but you want to know the truth mgbe ahụ ịghọtaziri ya obido dịwa gị mma because myself ejivughị m ntị anụ Nnamdi Kanu nke nji eji ntị anụ Biafra but today eso m vurie n'isi maka na ignorant na-eme mmadụ iche na ịma ihe mana mgbe ịfụzi na ịmaghị ihe then you will force yourself to do it right. Now ebe si wee akpọ ndị na-aghọtachaghị ụtabụ ụka bụ na mụ abụgoro a victim to it because n'oge m pụtara ebe a nọ mgbe m nọ na Nigeria ejighị m ntị anụ Biafra nke nji eji ntị anụ Nnamdi Kanu so ama m na m akọbugoro ihe a na your platform ka m hapụ ị na-waste time. Akọtugo m about how I stopped church.
I can't remember.
Okay. So mgbe m sizi na ụlọ wee pụtazie even my husband dito na ọ na-eme ọfụma also mgbe ọ na-abịa for my hand in marriage also na one thing nje achọghị ịnụ ya mana my spirit refuse na onweghị even ndị niile ndị ọzọ na-abịachanụ duto na nọọsọ ya maka obi m ka anabata even ngụgụdị ihe ndị ọzọ nji eme ndị ọzọ ka ha anya for instance na o wee ike gwacha m I love you nsị God bless you ọsị m na nchie ya as I love him too no baji just beg no God bless you because ịgbagonara that kind of thing ịmakwana onwere ike ịmakwana onye ọzọ nwekwa ike gwa m mma nchedo ka okwuche ya ekwuche si I love you too just to tell you mana Chineke na megidere ya finally ọ bụrụ ya. Now when I come out I came to this place egede ihe ọ na every time ọ na Nnamdi Kanu na-emekewe program and ọ dị miss kwe so na-ajụ onwe m gịnị ka this man na-ada abụda ọ na-akọ my husband na-ege ihe gịnị ka ọ na-akọ dị ebe ahụ na anọ m na nwoke ahụ na ọ bụghị Christian onwe ka Christian si aba anyị isi ịghọtago na so o wee ruo mgbe coronavirus bidoziri ada apụzi apụ ada ejezi ụka so na enwere ike ime ndị mmadụ ama na-apụ nwe ọ bụrụ gọọmenti nyere ọda so he disrespect God na even na every part of the world na emere onye ọbụla nọrọ ọnọ ga-ejezi na apụzi na so rụzie nwanne si ka m ga-egodu ọ na Nnamdi na-eme program ka m magodoro ya ahụ ọ na-ada egewe everyday na this man wee na-akụ ka anyị si wee bụrụ slave ka isi eme anyị nya na be anyị nwere ihe karịrị ihe ndị ọcha nwere the thing na-atọ ọchọm si na ịmana ọ bụ na be anyị dị mma na onwezi onye ga na-eji obodo nsi n'eziokwu ịmago n'ụdị ya so ka ọ kpọchachara ndizie first ị na-egezi program na that day ka my mind nsi Chineke nna biko ka ị ga-eji na-ata anyị afụfụ mana anyị bụ ụmụ gị gwana anyị nke bụ eziokwu. I prayed na ụlọ ka dị n'iru be m ebe a nọkịta na-emefe anya outside ụlọ ka agogo m na blessed sacrament several times Jesus in the blessed sacrament biko ka ihe ndị be anyị mekwenụrụ ka anyị nja ama ndị mma ka gwana ọ bụ na ndị ụka tinye ọnụ ka anyị nwere onwe anyị today ọ ga-aga ọsịsọ mana duto na Because we be double my men were many priests when I had the number for my spiritual directors. I begin to call them one after the other. And then go on for us na ya had them na ndoka them make we hear Biafra. Ebe aka nsi wee kpọọ gị sabụ ndoka maka ịma ebe aka nsi wee bata azin onye ọbụla na-eme ihe Biafra na amahọ azin inwe control of yourself and ị pụtara ịnọ n'obodo oyibo ndị be anyị adị eche uche ụta ise because o nweghị a lot of things ọkwa ngọcha wetara anyị ụka ụta ka ndị be anyị si eje ka ụta ka si eje ụka nke ịghọta.
So awata maybe sir mana ife ga-awata bụ that na ndị fada na-adị ọkwa fada Catholic ka ị na-ekwu okwu fabri
Catholic
na ife ga-awata bụ na most of them ụta ji ofe ka dị kịta some of ndị isi ndị ụka dị ife dị iche kịta na ibute novel saa ya gụọ ya mara ife ekwu were ife dị iche bụ that na ịghọtara ife ụwa bụ. You understand? Like, oh, father, my own cousin, the Reverend Father. Of that, I'm going to agree with them. Oh, Marty, like that. Watch, if you phone number, or not say lectures in the father does. What are my point? So, on a day, my father and then kind of what if I'm on a jam or they go understand. Sharply.
He got what this people are fine. You might has God. So he get God as
out of ignorant now. More and I'm respected as you coach, man. It cross our boundary. I will all my duty call it back. You got to go?
Yes. That's why.
So I know my limits. But I'm not getting that. How can you tell me in our similar Nebo father more amount and it's not done now. Go on awagi ibaketa na bawro ndị abawro father fears is your own fault, all your fault.
It's not fault. So you are a good servant. Ibu a good servant. Yes.
No, you get your respect, man. Boss in keep out. Like obodo Igbo, like obodo no nyaketa. Obodo ga braketa ise keta na father melegi nke ame. Oh, want to get that. I can come back get obodo Igbo ofo. Kan ga wote agam Pentecostal church. One man of the lawyer pastor. They say that na ima go put in na ma say that nga my can go na account. Ko Ghana na for na Catholic church na say yes. I'm a range arrange. I don't know one man from Ghana. Where pastor that prayer. Man, someone may invite that Pentecostal church. One I can work a woman go na my account. Ghana my parish. Ye father. Okorobodo Igbo. A mananga wolego made that in Ghana church. We meet the father meeting. Father can just but from Ogome travel to also from Canada where but often. So meet here because I said that I'm here for Imihe. He was confused. He spent almost 15 minutes here calling the evening. Because the family, you know what the point? The father father was like, to this the father not okay, with a guy in first place.
Okay. Manabani also give primary school with the go more yeah na type without
my sister. That explanation. Where will they come? But I had with that kill the believe in me. So well, na Chineke mobile. I will bring Dodge. I got to go, but it's get. Nah, ikutezo ota noketa kama mama. Me will what he believe to na buy name Duka. Or too much because before the thing approach na rotate. I want to talk about the complete.
Hi, nego also were me where a group nso ndoka be neba. So ya and babu something about sali hoka again. Where one day father we post to na onyo ọchịchị ọbụna si n'aka Chukwu wee. Ihe na contribute to questions and I like my contribution until what that father send there that thing. Na father because na this one now I don't understand it very well because in this our country I don't understand the election that is taking place. Father, I said one note. Before Father reply, go the mother go dream that group. It's like you don't want to stay again. You will get out of this place. All these things. Okay. Father, my spiritual director direct. Nto mkpọ ya direct. Father, biko na ọbụ ọkwa na mkpa dị na nchọ ka anyị ghọta ihe dị na ihe anọ. Osi mba, even we send na group again. Nobody should insult me again. That we are here to correct anything. Okay, quit go ndị na-abara m. So si Father, ọbụkwa na nna ọkwa nyewa bụ da dị m ka ezi ka a ga-esi were kpaliwe ya. So mana ihe na-aghọta ha bụ na ihe a na-emebe anyị ọkwa mana ọchịchị niile ndị niile a na-achị na ọbụkwa ndị win na-abanye ebe a ndị nwekwe ka ọ dị na Chineke na-atinyezi ndị na-adọrọ m. That is how church believe. You ebe problem and the banks. That is how church have told us to take it. That anybody, whether or good or bad, that person is from God. That the only thing we can do is to be praying for that person. The thing
I have the problem.
You got to now. The thing
pray for somebody that
never repent. Or even that is not, you're praying for wrong thing. How will it be right? Instead of it condemn, you continue to pray for evil. How will it be good? And so I don't want to debate here with you. Once awesome now, okay, that I should take it that way. That if I imagine or something like that. So mananimi not if you don't believe in you and the Bible because he have a there is no way we have come on the mother near we on we have the right and the wrong. I know you have from the buying dying in ignorant. Yet they thought they are doing the will of God, but we are doing it in ignorance. And my people perish because of ignorance. That is their problem.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, onye nwekwara ajụjụ ya dị ajọ ma ọ ga-eteki time mana ka ndị mmadụ nọ na house. Mana ọ bụ maka ụka enweghị m any bias mind na nkwụta and there can be sincere kịta karịa mgbe m nọ n'ụka because mgbe m nọ n'ụka dị mma adịcha open ndị ime na hide you must obey their
maturity.
Then you're not a good servant. You are not a
I am. I am, my sister. Thank you so much.
They say the Biafra need. Thank you.
If I walk by here and make this year, now the same mistake in a minute. But like I said, what guy in the program, I got call you for you know. A lot of man. Good. So we have Ozil. I think you are the next, right? Let's hear from you, Ozil. Okay, one I come from you last. How to give me travel?
Nah, how you doing working? I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, Bradford in the studio, I greet you all. Biafras all over the world, I greet you too. Yes, my own stand. Vicar, honorable Kuruna. Now him and Algeria against the what we are doing is based on incident of the Reverend Priest. The Reverend Priest Ebru. Now here well, Emma, I don't blame it. That's why sometimes when people are talking, try to understand their viewpoints. Yeah. Everybody is he or she is his own opinion. No, but are entitled to his own opinion. So, during this absence of Mazen and the Kali, there is a lot of evil that happened in our land. True. The enemies infiltrated on our security. And because of that, there is a lot of clash of interest. There is a lot of clash. And that thing resulted in a lot of death in our own side. Most of all these things are done by enemies. Yeah. And when they do it, they will not paint it as IPOB. To justify my claim, you can see the comment of the governor of Imo State when he said that IPOB are not the cause of the killing in Imo State. That to tell you the level of infiltration of the enemy to Biafra land. You understand? Those enemies, when they came in different means, they came in different form. Even in our own circle, even in our own camp. You don't know that even John Vicar have said it. They have their own men inside our camp. So how can you justify all these claims? So the enemies infiltrated in our security, using it and doing a lot of evil, all manner of any kind of evil you can imagine. Kidnapping, a lot of atrocity happening in our land. Sometimes you will wonder, is it people are really our Eastern Security Network are doing this thing then? So a lot of evil took place during that time. So when he said that that was his own grievances, myself, I'm not supporting on what happened to that our Reverend priest. I wasn't happy when I saw what he's saying. I wasn't happy on that particular statement. I wasn't happy at all.
Not at all.
You understand? So you can see there is a misformation. At least you should have give somebody a benefit of doubt. Give somebody a space to clarification. There should be appropriate investigation or whoever that in charge to justify before you can do something that will cost somebody's life. There must proper investigation on whoever that is in charge. Enemies can infiltrate. So many people have gone. Yes, some people have lost their life as a result of this. Before you know it, they tag you Sabo. Before you know it, they eliminate you. So something that I can take a little while to investigate, to find out the truth. You will take it upon yourself and eliminate the person. At the end of the day, people will be beginning afraid of you or afraid of whoever that's in charge on our own side. All these things are happening. That's the reason why I love the tribunal the USB government that set up. They set up a tribunal that will be checkmating activities of all these things. You understand? So that our military should be guided. Even in other military, there are always a tribunal that guide the military activities to checkmate activities of the military. The such things should be replicating in our own government, which the government have done. So this military should be checkmating activities of our men. Some people can be evil. Some people can be evil to the extent that they started online life for our people. It's not what we are here for. We should have be a security to our own people. The essence of every government is protect life and property. By the time you started online life for our people, so what are you doing? What is your mission? What are you for? It means you didn't understand what we are fighting for. So that point particularly that he made, that I really omitted that particular point he made based on what happened to our Reverend priest. That thing it wasn't good. It doesn't sound good to me. If I thought such a thing happened by our own people, I didn't welcome it. And I believe that a lot of things like this are happening because of the weak system. But now they can see that since the USB government have bring out a tribunal, it's bringing a lot of stability within the system so that they can checkmating activities of all these enemies that are doing all this evil in the name of ESN or in the name of BLA, in the name of whatever. So the government should be, as they are doing this, they should speed it up to investigating them, trailing them, matching them. Because there is a lot of enemy. Yes, there is a lot of enemy in the ground. There is a lot of enemy in our ground. A lot. In the name of pretending they are fighting for the freedom. Unalifing our people, kidnapping our people. You understand? So only you should my born feel for. I want to why man I be here and there. I man akwala kewe joku. Onye obla nonga wonye Biafra manana kewe joku. Because if at all you are from Biafra land, where all these things are happening, you will know the truth. Nobody will tell you. That's why even the real men, when people see them, they don't panic because they know that these people are for us. But those wicked ones, it's the other way around. So my dear, that John Vicar, that particular point he made, I'm not comfortable the way that thing happened. But other things he's saying, you should be mindful.
We have talked about that particular video in the past. I said that I'm not supportive of it. Yes. But John Vicar have two tongues, so that's another thing.
Yes, because he recent comment. Yes, because he recent comment these days now shows that he has a two tongue. You understand? No, yes, because in every government there is always a saboteur. In anywhere there is always a saboteur. There is always enemies. You should have known that in mind. That those that doing that are trying to. So we condemn that. So I support the guy. One the buy. I support the guy. You understand? So oh yeah, what the thing. So I don't want to cook that particular one. I don't want to cook that particular one. I didn't man. I seen the buy. I be here in the bush wine. Or the animal man. When you bring one there would do. Or the animal man. But you should be mindful because see, I want to Emma. I want in this room not more. Get some one. She get more. He should be mindful. You understand? It shouldn't be against what we are doing, irrespective of the weaknesses that we have been experiencing and at the past. You shouldn't use it as a study case to justifying or crucifying the government. You understand? Should crucify every effort. You should have learned that there is a mistake. We all of us have realized there was a mistake, and we know why those mistakes happened as a result of absence of Mazin Nanikalo. You understand? It really creates a very big vacuum, and that vacuum, a lot of evil happen within that vacuum. And that in leadership, there's no room for vacuum, and when there's vacuum, a lot of evil will happen. So that's why when Mazin Samuel came in, he brought some stability. You understand? Before DPN now came in, and she have tried to also bring more stability. You can see the reaction of some people. You understand? Because the woman want to bring stability. Most of them need to understand. She want to bring stability of what we are doing. So that if you stand for freedom for Biafra, you will rely yourself. You don't need to be the other way around. You are fighting for Biafra. The other way, you're doing the other way around. We want to know who is working with us so that we can identify our own, so that we can identify those enemies too. Those criminals in the coverage of what we are doing. So the woman want to separate the wheat from the shaft. They're criticizing her that you are decentralizing the government. Why must you do that? While our decentralization will work for the better interest of what we are doing. So that we know who is who. I criticize her. So now, based on yes, Joe Vicar should not be continue criticizing or crucifying our government based on previous mistake. The government has come to correct those previous mistakes. Those intentions.
I cannot listen, my brother. I cannot just quote. I don't want to sound like Joe Vicar. I want to, because in as much as we don't know what happened in the past, we don't know what happened based on the story that he told us. But judging by what he said, if what he said is true, it is condemnable. But I cannot trust Joe Vicar's word at all because he lied for fun. You understand? So I can't trust him. So calling that a mistake is a mistake if that is true. Because you can see the picture that he himself attached to that video. Look at it again. Here you can see suspected DSS members. For AIT to put this headline, do you understand?
Yeah.
Meaning that this man is suspected DSS member. But the Joe story says army. That person called his Nigerian army. So are you telling me that AIT don't know difference between DSS and army? I'm just saying. Do you understand? That's why you cannot trust what he said. And he told you that this is where he's in. But today, the video he made today, he told you another story. For the second time. So how many times can we about? You understand? And if the death of man triggered him a lot, why then he later associated himself with PM, who is also fighting for the Biafra that he claimed that he hated because of this news? If not, there was some kind of contradictory statement going on there. So I don't want to. The thing is that whether moment or not the bad, but I cannot trust Vika for that. Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
Definitely. God bless you too, my brother. No, my brother.
Thank you. And we have a Chika Tema in a fire material in the comment section. I'm not coming with your problem. Link in the commentary, but anyway, don't come again though, because I'm going somewhere now. I want to prepare something before we come back again. We have our own brother, Ocean Master. I think Ocean Master, you are here before our brother. Let's hear from you.
Let me just say, because when I'm on news and they were Mazikai. Thank you so much for this wonderful exposition of this Saturday. Thank you, especially I greet Biafrans in studio, the Biafrans in comment sections. Thank you. Do well and like and share the video.
Thank you.
Is what hearing. Biafrans I greet you according by your time zone. Our brother that finished speaking, you see, Jovica, if you ask me, is a double-faced man. Ụkọchukwu ọkọtọkọ n'ọnụ, going by the videos, going by the way he analyzes his own things, the way he talks about Biafra, you can see the passion in him when he's talking down on anything concerns Biafra.
That's true.
So how can I take his word serious? It's just thinking like the word of Udene or Gaddafi, who among them, he take their word serious. These people who never mean well for who, in fact, these people who had that name Biafra with passion, then compares it with anything that comes to Biafra. Do you think your enemy will sing your praise? He said that the Okachukwu was killed. And let me tell you, by that time he's talking about those ESN in those days are well coordinated and well disciplined people. So how comes they collected his phone? They went back to there just because somebody called it to his phone. They went to buy him, my dear, Kedafia, Okachukwu Okotokwe no John Vicar. We are not fools. Okay, you may eat your burger in America, enjoy it while it lasts. Manabacha also very mild. Abachi egwu ogana n'okwu. Kabo onye adịna bafa mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na ịma. Now, you see, Mazika, I had when you say that Ijeloka, a mere one thing more. Sometimes one of them way for
Nka wouldn't if them can get one more somebody bomb on a phone. I'm not before. Bomb on a phone, that Facebook. Facebook. Now, if on a home monastery, I get when I bug Google and make everything. Well, woman, I get no, but I get game. I need to get me banana for just do that. Or my cat on bank in. Okay, man, not that believe in bank in. Bank in. What can man we assume that Naga get goose and my cake candle. Naga that's it. What I can make it when I feel born on a paradise of flu and a village. Opposed to going okay. Then the video will say, okay, if I'm never, I'm going to back a governor. When I phone, so those are packing my cars. Nah, hit me, Munakas, kill the but guess what? We can maybe another Facebook. We're back here. We add we turn no picture. We picture more get picture more get mark at the shop.
Carry one jai.
We are back here there. Of you have that. Can they go new fresh and better. Nah. Also, this some. Most said there was up when energy pick my call. I got that number. Well. Instead, na Casey, na will be problem. Or simple, we go change no voice. Or what out you had no man, they could say. Now we're now for no, or some my son, what is that? What is that? My son, what is that? What is that? Because I'm not continue on a phone, not get dictated my voice.
Okay, dictated voice, yes.
And I will send you a message. I'll send you a message, drop or call. We'll tap chat, no problem. We'll say daily. I'm on the say the bill automatic in a phone. If not one year, we may take account there and see, okay, if you remember that now, I will get back to you. So I'm going to not add their friend, they're not add friends. Now, if on the Andrew Fado Kunukona, reference sisters, so Kunukona on a platform. So, to cut the long story short, contact some of them, compose message to send them some of the people more feel we can go potential victims. Hey, na some na no kufa ka na family na battle kwa this guy na no so story kasenko. You got go. See okay. Where was it speak any father on the platform we go vive money again. Father father reply on Lagos. Hey. Now just na next 3 days you're supposed to na ministry one everybody ega join again. But thank you so much for using this guy.
Yes, for the information.
After coming to that or shut all the Facebook down. I'll call me show that platform. After coming to that share, I'm on the phone and Facebook almost 7. Only $1 omepe the other one. Only and so after coming to that, and say, okay, I'm going to go market and Igbo all on Chupiana Facebook with information. Chupiana Facebook. Or Papa Facebook. Like upon online, if after a few months. Mfe born na ono kwa na ahia na preach na akụ ndị egwu na akụ go to band na akụ band mba ya there you know after I must be female na next na first baby is akwa red na na me na no no so it there message na it there message for ga gwa that na either message that no man and his life. Yeah, no man and his life. Or for somebody with band, didn't now band no car. When those she everywhere. Or everybody like that. But don't you car. Hey. I'm gonna play you got let's say on the apparatus na beast na beverages don't go to no float.
Money here.
Oche tem more so na chi na video so ebe ha na-eri mmadụ ọrụ ya na ọzọ ọbịa onye chọrọ idite wee bịa na nke ya si ndị na-ebu amụma ịma fim a na-akpọ ndị amụma ebe ahụ onye amụma ebe ahụ akwụkwọ ji ọkwa one of the victims ya na ị ga-akpọta ewu na ị ga-ekpọta ji ewu na ji so the guy the man na-ekwetekwa na ya ga-akpọta the ewu na ji ka ọ nawazi video so ọkwa na ofe wokwa n'ụlọ ya na onye ọsọ a ga-eji si ọsị gị gbachiri ebe ahụ ga-agwa the person ya bịa sị na mmụọ gwara ya kịta na gị na-abịa gị gotekwe ma gị na ihe na so the more ha na-echeta ife a ga-eji wee shiri the pepper soup na the more fa na-eche those things ka the man na-erige the senses ya at the end of the day the man amata na ọrụ ka a na-eri ya the man wee bọcha and once of people go know out of your greed because what guys we want to but I'm not coming out even that you got that sponsor if I get you see before.
Oh, it's okay. And the guy do. I
tell you what did you? Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.
They will. My experience with Kamana, however, what I know is that genuine Christianity is very good.
Of course. And the guy now, see, on a camera, learn how to pray, for yourself.
Yes. Pray yourself out. It's very important.
The important thing is just when God will answer.
Yes.
Some of them, I would debate some emotion case now there. And I
brought some of them on the car, almost every day. Major percentage of what you see today, shouting hallelujah, shouting blah 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 blah. One, if you go in, my brother.
I go because that's church once at a time. Okay, Ajida Makota, the man name and will have somebody will put shame in any woman. But that you now come about but I That is it. Asofam Nakada guy. And Eastern government also can receive saliva. Eastern government also can. Will hear somebody will warm memo 30.
That is why. That is why that's why you see the word of Mazin Nandekano. You see the word of Mazin Simon Epa is very, very important and crucial. That you bring Finland into Biafra. Many of us did not understand that. Let me tell you, we're in the Western world, Kai. Look at it. How many people can go now? Look, every how many times can go? Good. How many times can you marry say Piana Church? It doesn't exist, it doesn't happen. I'm telling you where I am today, even a move around the clock. Sometimes you don't even know the day that is Sunday, you forget.
It's true.
Now, Biafra, air of store Biafra totality, then things goes accordingly, according by the template. When so that the government and our law, so that need entitled, so you have resources that sustain you, will sustain you, and sustain all your generations till eternity. That is the way God structured Biafra.
Poverty. What if poverty now, member? No, poverty. I'm telling you, you may feel them expect again. I'm telling you.
When if a young man or Kowaka, Najan son so we ever say near the Jenny, Najik, Jerusalem, even the one, and I do a bridge, Jerusalem, about Tapa, Jenegari and Babata, come mother no buy, and I gonna back and then one. I saw anybody, the queen of any which the commander. Chineke ndị na-eje n'igwe ha jebe wife wa amaka nwanne ụwa dị n'ụsọ nne Chineke mezi ụwa ka ọ dị mma etu isi nye na m ama like ije n'igwe a yọtago ma like ije ka nnọdụ n'ụwa ebe aṅụrị ihe na-efu ụdị
anywhere they come on anywhere the but all depends if people anywhere like Mama could come na mare yọtago mana come na aga ka godon ka first.
Now, ihe njikwa na-ekwu nwanne ọ na-ekwu ikwu ihe onye na-amara ọbịa ọgbọ ya tago abụndụ m eje n'igwe na chigata si nna nekwa ka nna m n'ụwa Chineke ka enye m ọkwa Chineke ọ sara na 120
anywhere dịkwa make we no joke for that one.
No, Bible says heaven is heaven for God, heaven of God, heaven for God on his throne. I believe that. Chineke chọọ ka nọ n'eluigwe. Chineke chọọ ka nọ. Okay, one rounding up because of you rounding up. We know that today was whether my fundraising or my fundraising draw. At the account is on 24 hours 7. The government of USB is working round the clock. It's just that now Dr. Ngozi Rabeze is not the type that comes to get to na social media now, but the government is working so much. They need this our support financially. Please go and donate there. As I'm donating, personally, about it, I've made it that I'm going to make this sacrifice for myself, for my children, for my generations to come. Or history. Remember, to this this country in Africa, University the country is doing well, very small country in Africa. Yeah, I'm trying to remember the name. And that is that. Not only because it's all just like PM said it, and Dr. Musa made a bit do that thing. Why? Look, Western world, they are fighting their immigration laws against you, me, and every other person. I haven't go out on the road here. Man, no matter how many years, the law is fighting against you. There is no place like home. Come on, this is 3 hours. Thank you, my brother. God bless you and bless what you laid your hands to do. So bless us, all of us in Jesus' name.
God bless you. Chika, which account are you asking? I don't know which account. What account you need in case I don't understand. Let me know. Let me know the account you're talking about. Chika, are you there? Let's welcome our brother Greg. Greg is here with us. I think all the what God happen now you. About now, check it go watch. What the gonna go somewhere. Please unmute your mic, Greg. Greg, are you there?
Yes, Mazi.
Good
afternoon, Mazi Kai.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. You see, Canal.
Oda.
Yeah, I just came in now and my phone. I saw. Let's talk about Jovica.
Okay. Sorry, my brother. Just hold on. Chika, you have to join the fundraising for you to donate. Okay, we don't. I don't have an account to give anybody here. Okay, the fundraising link will be shared. So please join the fundraising. And if there's anyone that have an account, please you can reach out to Chika. I don't have any account to give you. So the fundraising will be today. So map out the time. It's gonna be 7 p.m. Biafran time. You can join. Maybe you can also go to your state WhatsApp group and do the needful there. If you are not in your state WhatsApp group, then during the fundraising, that's why you need to join. You ask them, they will connect you so that next time you don't need to be stranded. Very, very important that you do that. Okay, Chika, let me say thank you to you before you, whether you will join or not, but try your best and do the needful. Thank you. Continue, Greg.
Yeah. So I say I'm very happy that you guys are doing a good job. And as I looked up I saw this thing. Let's talk about Joe Vicar. I don't know how many people that know this man very well, but the little I might witness all that he had been doing. Starting from Mazin Nandekan, he was following Mazin Nandekan bomber to bomber. And people were thinking that the man was real. But immediately Mazin Nandekan was God, he changed. He's a pure chameleon. It's a pity that he called himself a priest of Anglican Church. The man is not qualified to be a priest in the first place. He have no spiritual, anything spiritual is not in him. He is too carnal and a deceiver and a liar. He never do any investigation. This is the man that was attacking Father Mbaka.
Thank God you remember.
So, and all the attack, he was attacking Father Mbaka, he did not even do any investigation.
Not at all.
This is the man that said that Dr. Ngoza Rebeze declared him wanted. Although he watched a clip, and the clip was not the clip that somebody told him and that Dr. Ngoza Rebeze declared him wanted. And
we talked about that. We talked about that here, right?
Yes.
We talked about it. Okay, for the
and you watch a clip, and that clip you watched, there was nothing like declaring you wanted. And then if somebody called you and told you, and that person did not send you any clip to show evidence, and you start attacking, now to show you that he is not. This is the kind of people that they pushed out from Nigeria because of their evil kind of managing a parish. And if you watch through what I can sense, this man, he was sent from Bishop Chukwuma of Enugu. You know, he's an Anglican as well.
Okay.
And Bishop Chukwuma was the man with the Carol White.
Okay.
So this, I just connect the whole dot. This man
Okay, so
is
that was
Bishop
why he was
Chukwuma.
against Mbaka.
Yes, it was against Mbaka in many things, and without investigation. And this is Bishop Chukwuma who beat the wife. He doesn't have any integrity.
Huh.
This is
Sorry to cut you off. Even this video that we talked about, we analyzed today here. If everyone can about we I just drag it because it's embarrassing.
Oh,
they almost fight. Why on live broadcast? But let's continue.
That will show you the kind of person he is.
And also, what we're gonna do this video that what is it called? Marriage counseling.
The marriage counseling.
So
the marriage counseling.
You can just not if you're going there. But why now we said we don't talk in this house. I just I don't want people to hear that. I just drag that part. Continue.
So very, it's a pity that they call that man a Anglican Okochukwu. Anything that even only this case with him now, and they talk about that, show you the kind of person he is. So show you for telling that he will join Ikengoruago and what do you call him? Eudele. To fight Dr. Ngozi, show you the man is pure evil. And when he say he have army, he training army in the Igbo land, in Biafra land. When he know the consequences of what he did, he turn it that is Nigerian army.
As sharp guy. Guy.
It's a pity. It's a pity that the man is a priest. It's a pity, but after connecting all the whole dots with him and Bishop Chukwuma and Carol White, because Carol White is an Anglican as well, you know. So
okay, now it's making more sense.
Yes, Carol White is an Anglican.
So the reason why one American is evil because he said Carol White, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. That is the problem. So he was following Mazen Nanikan that time. People were taking him thinking that he's serious. You know, not known. Okay, when they arrest, when they kidnap Mazen Nanikan, he hide. He started talking rubbish. Started working with Nigeria and the P2B and obedient and all the whole nonsense. You see. And since that time, they kidnapped Mazen Nanikan. Did you hear Bishop Chukwuma speak for one day till now? He have not. So it's a shame.
He just exposed this guy very, very well.
It's a shame. You know? So nobody should take him serious. He's a liar. And he's not supposed to be a pastor for anything. He's not supposed. He's not qualified in any way. Any person calling him a pastor or whatever, that person is deceiving himself. That is only what I want to add.
It's a very big mistake. It's a very big mistake.
Honestly. See?
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. All right. So my people, we have come to an end of this live broadcast. And today's fundraising. We will be back again. Okay. We'll be back again for fundraising. So hopefully all of you will join, and please keep your eyes on that as well. Thank you, and God bless all of you that joined me this hour. All of you that called, may God bless you, and Divine Precious. Thank you so much, Ocean Master, and our brother Greg. Of course, I don't know God who joined, but was very busy to talk. I think he was rushing to somewhere. That was why he couldn't wait. And please make sure you like the video before you go. See you again. God bless you. Bye bye for now.